Hello, Jack. How you doing? Welcome on in. Good to see you. How's the levels doing? They look alright. I think that might be a little bit loud. Not quite sure. I'm using a new player now. I'm using LGL Clamp. You're first, yay! 2 in the house. Let's go. Just drinking up my coffee, you know. I was going to do some build stuff today, but I've kind of made a bit of a mistake. Might have to draw a picture. Should I get my pen tablet out? That's not a euphemism. Oh dear, I think I've got lots of comments on my other video as well now. But browser wars are always going to generate comments, aren't they? Well, what are you all up to this weekend? You got any plans? Oh, just trying to get comfy. Ugh. Right, I think we're good. I think we are good. Should we just get it onto the start? We'll do that. And we'll do that. There we go. Right. That should be there. That should be there. We should be good to go. Oh, we could do a bit of Overwatch, I suppose. Hey, Strawberry Kitten, welcome on in. Oh, hang on. That's not the right button, is it? Pressing the wrong button. It's that one. What I do need to do, though, is... Need to go to here, right click there, go open source projector. Oh, freaky! Whee! Oh, look at that. Have you lot been drinking? Is it me or are you seeing double? I need to go windowed and go way. Trippy. Tripping out, tripping out. Way. Whoosh. Sorry. I'm sorry. But I need that over there and I need that there. There we go. So I can see what you're seeing. And then I can do that. Now I can see what you're seeing. There we go. Let's go. I love Trippy OBS. Yeah, you can't beat a bit of Trippy. Oh, so this is a Don wallpaper. So I'm gonna see, look, this is my new player, look. I'm loving it. I can put it up there. You guys can see it. I mean, obviously you can see the one down here as well. Yeah, just in case you can't see the one that's down here. I quite like that one. The only problem is it's not playing it in the order that I like my playlist. So I need to sort that out. I think the way to do that would be to put numbers in front. Maybe I can get an LLM to do that for me. That could be a job for tomorrow, couldn't it? When we just do the Linux thing. What should I do tonight? There's a cat. I know, it's a pretty cat. There's a pretty cat in my thumbnail as well. You want to see it? Oh no, that's the stream one. If we open up. Oh, there you are. That's me editing the thumbnail. Not the thumbnail. Yeah, look, see what I've done here is, look, it's a pretty cat there. So if I do that, hang on, how do I get rid of all the other ones? Get rid of that one. There you go. I made the pretty cat stand out. And the boat. Because that's kind of how I roll. Although I just realised the boat should be above the chromium icon. Didn't quite work out, did it? Now I can't see anything because I'm cleaning my glasses. Wait. Oh no, that is right. That's fine. Yeah, because that should be above. Yeah, that should have been there really, but never mind. Never mind. Hey Philip, how you doing? Welcome on in. Good to see you. Philip G. Collier. Good to see you, mate. Well, it is cat a day. Cat a day. We can do cat a day. Welcome on in. I'm just going to need to shrink that down. Maybe a bit more. Maybe a bit more. Maybe a bit more. So I can see all the chat. See, oh, I know what it is. So I've got this thing here, look, which I use, and it tells me everything about what's going on in the stream. It's really cool. But it's a dual stream one, so I've got it. This is set up for when I'm with Don, but I've got a single stream one there as well, so I can get all of the chat down the side there. Thanks, glad to be here. Awesome. That's better. So I can see the stream. I can see. In fact, I can show you what I can see. I think. Can I show you still? Can I just do that, then do that? Don't think that's working, is it? So we need to go to we need to go to both screens. Where's both screens? Both screens. And then this one. We need to double click on it. No, we need to double click on that one. Open selector and do that. We go okay. And when we go back there, that's what I can see. Yeah, so that's what I can see. How cool is that? Go back to that one, or we can have that one. Nope. Oh wait, that's the wrong one. Wait, what? 21.9. 21.9. What are you doing? 21.9. 21.9 should be that one. There we go. 21.9. Perfect. And then we go 16.9. Yeah, and then both screens. Let's go. Fixed it now. Oh, so what should we do today? I'm going to do a game. I think I might do... Should we do some Cyberpunk? What do you reckon? Do a bit of Cyberpunk. I haven't played Cyberpunk for a while. So we'll do a bit of Cyberpunk. We're going to talk about my build, which is starting to take shape now. I've got a new case, which is actually a lot bigger than I thought it was, to be honest. Not going to lie. King Claw Blazer, let's go. Where are you? You're that one.
The birds are flying and the wolves are hunting. KCB has entered the chat.
To a solid and sturdy 30.
I just need to get my chat on my phone.
Thanks to unabated gang wars. One officer down, so I guess you're all screwed. Cause the NCPD will not let that go. Got another blackout in Santo Domingo. Net runners are at it again, poking holes in the power grid.
There we go. Right.
While over in Westbrook.
How you doing, KCB? Good to see you, dude. What's going on with this then? I thought I could graphics. No, video. Window borderless. The one. I thought I could set my size how I wanted it. Hoppy, how you doing? Welcome in. Gaming today. I'm going to do a bit of everything, I think. I'm going to be mainly talking to you guys. RTC in the house. Hello, mate. Good to see you. Yeah, we'll do a bit of gaming. We'll do a bit of Linux in, you know, stuff. Oh, maybe I turned off game scope. I'm good, thanks, mate. Good, thanks. I can't remember where oh, I'm in the middle of a mission, I think. Can you remember where I am?
This is no time to stop and think.
I can't move the screen. Hang on. Mistakes were made, people. Mistakes were made.
No need to delay.
Trying to work out how can I move that screen. Can't move it. Can't move it. Annoyed. Bottle Flatpak update broke everything with bottles for me again. Oh no. I had to research how to install a previous Flatpak version. Something with commit. I don't know. So is bottles. Can you get bottles? Let's just get rid of that for a sec. We don't need that. We don't need that. Bottles. Linux. Git. Hub. Hello, Tree. How you doing? Welcome on in. Saturday stream. Yeah, I do stream on Saturdays. That's kind of my thing. Don does the weekdays, and I do the Saturdays and the Sundays. Oh yeah, so they're not providing any, they only provide the source code. Yeah, so it says download on FlatHub. Doesn't even show you how to do the build from source. I think I'm sorry I haven't been around for your streams. I'm usually out with the family. No worries, dude. That's what Saturdays and Sundays are for, isn't it? And I tell you what, family's much more important than me. Apparently Vesa hates Flatpaks, and they really want to tell us about it. Flatpaks are fine. Yeah, it looks like they've only got a Flatpak at, yeah, it says it's there, doesn't it? But it has got the source code here. You could probably build it from source and then never update it again. Yeah, all these people using this word hate. I hate people saying hate when they don't really mean that. It might be a strong dislike of, but come on, hate is quite a strong word, guys. Dislike, yeah, there we go. Right, where's the game? Oh, I've broken the, oh, hang on. Huh. Oh, okay. I can move it now. I can move it. There we go. If I put it to about, does that look like center to you? Oh, that's actually quite nice because I've got my music going up the top here. Look, got the game here. Got the camera over here. You can see the wallpaper when it changes. Strong dislike. Yeah, there we go. But there is something I do want to do. Let's just minimize that for a sec. Then we're going to bring up Dolphin. Well, I'm not a native speaker, so hate comes naturally as first. Oh, okay. Finley.
Finley has arrived. Into the terminal we descend. Through kernels, through chaos. Searching for understanding. No RGB, no bloat. Just code and curiosity. Welcome, Finley. The journey continues.
Welcome on in, dude. Good to see you. I'm guessing you're back from holiday then. So, Vesa, hate is quite a strong word in the English language. Things like dislike, not a fan of, strong dislike. Yeah. Jack's got it there. Syntax error. I am very jealous of you right now. Well, actually, it depends what Haribo. You need to tell me what Haribo. Oh, I'm giving you all my secrets here now. Look, this is all my secrets. You can't see all that. It's all my ideas and stuff. There's all the images for the video I just done. I super heavily dislike, not a fan of, super don't like Windows. I'm with you there, dude. What was I going into? Oh yeah, I need to sort out the icon because look, the Cyberpunk icon is broken right now, so we need to fix that. And the way that we fix that is, I think it will be in user, share. Let me zoom in so you can see. User, share, applications, enter. And if we scroll, let me just zoom out. If we scroll through here, it might be in here. If it's not in here, it'll be in local. It's probably going to be in local actually, because it doesn't install games. Yeah, it's going to be local. So we're going to go to, right, ready? You ready? You ready? We're going to go to home, .local, / share, applications. And in here, we'll have Cyberpunk, which is just here. And we're going to go open with kwrite. And we're going to go no display equals false. And we're going to save that. And watch down here. Watch down here, right? You ready? Watch down here. I'm going to press Control S. Ready? Boom. Hey, let's go. And I'm going to quit that and quit that. Oh, damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Start the music again. Let's shift. Do that on. Right. Back to Cyberpunk. We'll just move that up there. The original pack with the colourful bears. The original. Ah, okay. So I'm not so jealous now. Ah, yeah. I'm an icon fixing master. Look, I've made my own icons as well. Look, I've got my own custom hand-drawn-ish Discord, touch portal, Steam, Parsec, OBS, and Z, and that was the one that Yuki done. That's a Yuki special, and then these are my own icons for my my apps. Windows. I live inside a Minecraft dirt house. Ah. File managers are bloat. Did you see what Don's done with Dolphin Swish? Bottle 64.1 worked for me, but changing Soda Runner 11.0.4 latest in 65 plus to Soda 9 will not work. Soda 9.01 is what worked in 64.1. I don't know what the issue is. Oh man, that does suck. That's why I like RPM, you see, because look, if we look at let's take a look at the copper, okay? This is why I really like it in here. So we go over to KineticWE and just have a quick look at that. And we'll go go to Kinetic. If we look at the builds, if I really wanted to, cup of tea. I got a cup of coffee. Well, glass of coffee. Because I've kept every single package version. We could go back to 678-1 if we wanted to, and it would work. You just need to downgrade. That's kind of why I like it. Jack says that's so cute. Which one's so cute? Which one? I managed to already break GNOME and KDE Plasma. Kind of insane. So I'm applying your point from your browser video. I decide how my system works. So back to Hyperland it is. I'll commit to one setup. There you go. Fair enough. Stick with it. Absolutely. That's kind of been quite successful for me, to be honest, Finley. I mean, I've not really switched away from Fedora since switching over from SteamOS, but I have looked at other options, and I'm gonna still keep looking. Right, I've got this. I'm building this up soon. Let me go. If I go to there and go to there, so I've got this. Let me just move that out of the way. Make sure I don't knock that over. So I've got this bad boy here. I'm just waiting for the CPU to turn up. That's going to be my main system. So what I've got in at the moment, hang on. Fast fetch, where are you there? Well, that's supposed to be playing fast fetch right now, but for some reason it's not. Which is interesting. We need to fix that. Let me just try that again. Let me just check why it's not worked. Fast fetch. So it's clear, so it pauses the music, it opens up fast fetch, and then it's supposed to play the music. So then waits for 19 seconds, closes fast fetch, and then hides the audio. So is the audio in here? Yeah. There we go. Sorry about that.
Who's that beacon in my shape? Fast fetch knows my system well. One command, there it goes. Everything I nerd should know.
There we go, that worked. Sorry, I turned the lights out. So yeah, I'm going to build this one out. That's my main system. I'm just going to keep that static. And then the 5700 X3D and the 64 gig from this machine is going to go into this machine because I've got another machine underneath here. And then I'm going to use that to properly try out some other distros. And then all of that stuff that's in there, which I think is a 3800X maybe, Ryzen 5, and 32 gig of RAM will go into another case that I bought. Or maybe I'll swap the cases around. That's the dilemma I'm having at the moment. But that'll give me the chance to try some other stuff. But yeah, I'm sticking with Fedora. That's going to be my main, and then I'm going to try out other ones as well. Oh, that's heavy. That's a really heavy motherboard. Okay, and stick with it. Swish says the last I saw was when he toggled the terminal in it. If there's anything else, then I don't know. Oh no, he's done loads. He's basically turned it into an IDE. Finn, we might use hate as... Oh, fine. We might use hate as a context of mild annoyance in everyday life. Maybe we just lack words describing different levels and not liking something, or they're just too long to use. Yeah, probably. Hey, JTech, how you doing? Welcome on in. I haven't got... Oh, hang on. Wait, I can fix this. I go to, I think you're in downloads still, aren't you? Is it in downloads or did I put it in? Maybe I put it in Linux Gamer Life, streaming, welcomes. Did I put it in here yet? No. Other sounds. Bootsy, there we go. So I need to pause that and do that.
Bootsy, that's the way to go. Atomic. Now we're in the flow. Declarative, simple as can be. Running smooth with kinetic WE.
Love it. Love it so much. Yeah, don't forget to do the likes. How are we doing with that? Where is my overlays? There they are. Are they not working? God damn it, nothing's working today. Oh, hang on. There we go. Got 10 likes. Thank you everybody. Thank you. Appreciate you. And close that now because that's all working. Oh look, we got this up here now. Kinetic layout, master stack. Let's go. Good to see you, JTech. Tree says I'm really loving Nix right now, but if I have to, I might switch back to Donzite if I want Kinetic. Well, I think he's fixing it. I know he's working hard to fix it for sure. So watch this space for sure. DDR5, yes, DDR5. It's going to be a little bit blurry, but you know. Now it's CL40, but apparently with the cache that I've got on the CPU that's coming, which is a Ryzen 9 9950 X3D, is it? Something like that. It should be fine because it'll do most of the heavy lifting on the CPU. I was just thinking of allocating space on my drive for a second distro to try and test new things, but have a permanent Fedora setup. Yeah, that works as well. But the challenge there is having to that's basically your dual booting, aren't you? Essentially. So I've only now got one arm and one leg muppy. So that's what I had to sell to get this DDR5. So yeah. It is what it is. Yeah, that sounds like a mighty idea because I miss trying out Cache, Pika, NixOS, Bazite and all that. Well, yeah, and that's the challenge, isn't it? You can do all that inside a VM, and inside VM Curator, it works really, really well. But it's not. It doesn't work well for testing games. Do a backflip. I don't know. Keybinds. I haven't got keybinds. Have I got keybinds? I don't have keybinds. Swish says I technically have a file manager because it comes with Cosmic, but I don't think I've actually opened it in months. Muscle memory just wants to open terminal and CD is on a loop instead. Ah, okay. Do a flip. Currently testing Pika OS myself, kind of decent so far. Was on Cache OS for a year before this. Oh, nice. Yeah, I quite like Pika. I'm not gonna lie, that was quite a nice experience, and I did try that on hardware. So I did test what was it, 12 different distros on a second PC, but I never really got into it. I didn't deep dive into them, you know. So Finley says to Vesa, well, I mean, it's not a good thing, but I say I hate Windows because I truly do hate it. But that's fair enough. But yeah, I'd avoid that way of thinking. It screwed me over so many times that I just can't help it. Jensen in the house. Hello, good to see you. DDR5, more like DDR $5,000. Gone, exactly. Wasn't quite that much though. Pretty much I've done a triple boot even before, so it's not too complicated. Yeah, it's not complicated. See, I can't get my head around dual booting. Okay, and the reason being is because I like to be in my main system, and I context switch all the time, which is quite draining. Not going to lie, but it's what I do and it's how I operate. So the thought of me having to go, right, I need to do something in a different operating system, so therefore I'm going to log out of this one and log into another one, that just does not compute for me. So yeah. Brendan Hoffman, hello, welcome in, good to see you. Brendan's got an old 5600X CPU that I have been meaning to make into a computer. Not looking forward to buying RAM and motherboard again though. Don't really need another one. That's it, we don't really need one. But yeah, good luck with that. Hope you find... I managed to get some decent DDR4 off of eBay. And I immediately tested it. And I don't know about where you are, but we do have eBay buyer protection in this country. And that's actually coming really well, or really good, because I've had 2 motherboards and a CPU that I ended up sending back and getting my money back. And that's why I've decided to go down the AMD route now with this DDR5 setup, because this is going to be my perma setup once this is all up and running. But I don't mind buying secondhand RAM because I can stick it through memtest, and if it doesn't work I can just send it back. JTech wants to build a 7-litre mini ITX, but my daughter turns 21 next month, so I'm broke until January. Fair enough. Well, happy birthday, happy 21 as well. That's quite a landmark age, isn't it? Pika pika. Jandy, hello, welcome on in, good to see you. Distro hopper off. I stay on Fedora with minimal setup, everything ISO. Thank you for the idea. Oh, that's awesome. No problem. Glad it's working out for you. Uppy says, my current system is an i7 12700K 64GB DDR4 RTX 3070 and an RTX 9070 XT ordered. Let's go. I think it's good enough for me, but I don't like modern games except very few. Well, you'll be fine with modern games on that, I'm sure. Finney says, for a while I did Mint and Arch. When I'd log in, it would simply be 2 options in Limini at the time. Mint for daily and Arch for gaming and learning Linux. It was quite nice, actually. Nice. If you can deal with that separation, then that kind of works. It's kind of why I like VM. It's kind of why I like this, to be honest. Because if I just want to jump in and have a look at something, let's say, oh, we're going to do KDE. We're going to just go, yeah. Going to minimize that. Switch it over to KDE. I don't know the password for this one. That's the password. And it's quite nice because we're in KDE now. Although I've just realised we are inside the thingy, so I need to hover there and let's do that. No. Do that. And we can grab that like that, and then we can go like that. We'll go way. Oh no, what we're gonna do? We're gonna do it about there. And we're gonna do, and then we're gonna go like that. And then we're gonna go like that. Oh, hang on, I can't move it, can I? Oh, actually, we can. We just do it like that. We'll do that. And we'll do that. And then we'll grab it from up there. And we'll go. We go like that. That looks quite cool. It was simply like having 2 different environments at the time, but I know it's not necessary. Yeah, I mean, I get it. It's quite cool, but as I say, I need to work in the same environment. My context switching brain doesn't let me do that. It's perfect for my brain. Separating things is always okay. So a bit of a compartmentalizer. Hey, Cossy-eyed Cobra, how you doing? Welcome on in. Good to see you. Swish is saying, an inability to separate things is how I ended up on NixOS with a monstrosity that is my current config. What are we up to today? We're doing chat today. We're playing a game called LGL Reads Chat. You know? You know that game? I think you've seen me play it before, right? Been trying to complete it for years, but you know, Kinda, yeah. I guess that's... Yeah, I think I made that word up, to be honest. So, yeah. No, but we are looking at... why have we got Alacrity open? Oh, that's for that. I can quit that now. Yeah, but at this point, VM Curator. Yeah, VM Curator is really nice. Why Fedora VM inside Fedora? Why not? Did you see how many I had that were Fedora? Have a look. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 Fedora based VMs. I've got an OpenSUSE there, look. Got a couple of caches and then a generic one that I was just testing and I can't remember what that was for. That's probably Fedora as well, I would imagine. In fact, I think that's just miscategorized. Did you see? Yeah, after 700 and something days or something, isn't it? I told Don I could test it out on Tumbleweed. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow. Yeah, you should be able to build it. Yeah, you should be able to build it from source, I would imagine. You just need to make sure you've got all of the depths installed, you know, all the development depths. Huh. Yeah, you should give it a go. Oh, hang on. Oh, that's a problem. That's a problem. Uh-oh. Mistakes were made. Mistakes were made. I just got Wayland. Waylanded. Right, I think... No, it's not that one. I think I've got it on Firelight still, have I? Yeah, I need that. Game scope. And then that, I think. Wait, hang on. Control C. Go back to Cyberpunk. Launch options. We'll try that. Build from source. Yeah, always build from source if you can. Jensen's. Oh, that's just stuck that on the wrong screen. That's okay though. That's okay because we can just do that. So, where was I? Jensen says, I'm planning on switching to Fedora in my vacation in a week's time. My cache install is starting to go funky. If it goes to hibernation, I can't start it up again without hardware reset. I think you might have the same problem on Fedora. Are you on a NVIDIA card? Friendly says, be careful, the OPSEC are coming to get you. OPSEC kids. Wait, what? Hey Hassan, how you doing? Welcome on in. Almost missed you there, dude. Good to see you. That's why I went to XWayland. Yeah, of course. You could just reset the game. That's a little bit easier. I think the guy named Jensen's on the video. Yeah, it could be something to do with that. I'm pretty sure. I know Don is using a declarative setup. I'm just wondering how I can do that on Basil. That's exactly what he's using, Tree. Oh, I see, right, yeah. I missed that. At the moment, I'm still testing in RX. Oh, okay, so I'm not quite sure then. I think you'll probably have the same problem on Fedora, to be honest. I never sleep my PC. It's either on or it's off. I suppose we should do this, right?
Runner's touch, son.
Already on it. Sorry, V. My magic's no good here. What we need's power. There's a maintenance shaft with a fuse box nearby. Follow the scaffolding.
Says I need to turn the lights back on. Might take a minute.
Fine, I'll keep my head down.
I'm wondering how it is with DCLI. Don's the best person to talk to for that. That's exactly what. Well, I don't think he does use DCLI, does he? Yeah, he does. Yeah. Brendan says I decided to put another mechanical drive in my main machine the other day. It took 12 hours to copy 1.7 terabytes of movies across to it. So tedious. Just using it as an emergency backup space. Ah, fair enough. Oh, that's big. Syntax is actively learning vibe coding. Nice. I never have a problem until I updated. Oh, I didn't update for a week. Ah. Mako in the house. Hello, welcome on in. Good to see you. Right. Wait. Oh, where am I going? How do I climb up? Oh, just walk into it. It's shit. Oh, okay. Kind of walked into that one, didn't I? Vaser, same. Never hibernate my PC since something like 2016 after reading about downsides from TweetCount site for Windows. Windows equals bad. It's not great. As I always say about any distro that I'm not a fan of, right, and I'll say this about every single one, there is a place in the world for Windows. It's just not in my... I screwed it up, didn't I? I screwed it up. How does it go? There is a place in this world for Windows. It's just not in my world. There we go. I did it. Where are we going? 10 meters that way. Wait, what? Ooh, shiny. Ooh, double shiny. Triple shiny. Oh, let's go. I'm going to be full up with shiny soon. Where am I supposed to be going? Is it this way? I guess it's this way. Have I got a torch? I haven't got a torch. We had this conversation before, didn't we? I can't see a bloody thing. There we go. Oh.
Place to get stuck.
Just
where are we going to go? Upper floor. Okay.
What's the probability a random passerby noticed a moving elevator in an abandoned hotel? Right. Leave the analytics to Songbird. Little fuckers are fidgety.
Place for Windows is a priority. Hell yeah.
If they've sensed us already, the place will be swarming in no time.
A little bit of telemetry never hurt anyone. Yum, telemetry.
Great reason to
Love telemetry.
My thoughts exactly.
And mine. Just stay calm and keep quiet.
I quite like this track.
Hold. Drone on your left.
What? What?
Remote control. By touching, you give away your position.
Something
Oh, wait.
avoided.
Enemy patrol.
Jensen says, but the reason I switched to Fedora is I'm planning on running it on a laptop. Hang on, how's the audio, guys? I'm a little bit worried that the music's quite loud. Because it's quite loud in my ear. There we go, I've turned it down now. Fedora is solid. Yeah, I do like Fedora. I've got an emergency drive with Windows 10 locale installed on it. Sometimes I need it. I won't sign into anything on it though. Fair enough. Yep, that's it. If you need it, then you need it, dude. I'm getting rid of all of my devices that I can't actually update with firmware on Linux. Well, I'll keep them, but I don't use them. So this one I can update on Linux. This one I can update on Linux. So yeah. So Mako says, I'm a NixOS girly myself. Nice. But I've turned the music quite a lot down. We'll put it to there. There we go. Oh, now we're on game scope. Oh, that's interesting. I code and I use Z. Apparently you do have things. Apparently you have to do things in the correct order when changing from NVIDIA to AMD GPU. Huh. I want to make sure I've not missed any chat here. Game is quiet. Well, it should be a bit more balanced now. Balance is good, thank you. Calcifer, good to see you. Welcome on in. Is it too low now? Hang on. Would you use Kinetic? Oh yeah. The opacity when playing the game doesn't bother you at all. No, not really. Well, no, because I'm when I'm in it, it's fine. It's only when I'm not in it that it's not. Does that make sense? So I go into the game. Oops, it changes it. It's really shiny down here. Is she coming with us?
Why? It's stupid. It's not just your life on the line, Pete. Hey, camera! Shoot my load! Really pull that up!
Oh, I'm in danger.
They won't get me.
Okay. The opacity when playing games. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's only when I'm out of the game. Yeah, if it's supported NixOS. I'm wondering what pizza Don got yesterday. Yeah. Hello, Wes. How you doing? Welcome on in. Good to see you. My first distro was Ubuntu 7 years ago, and it sucked. Linux is in a way different place now. Absolutely. Hey, Davil. Welcome on in. Is he with Dave L or Davil? Nah, either works. I left Windows on the Vista era, just started truck driving, installed Ubuntu, think it went to 10.4 shortly after. Now I have a triple boot, Kashi, Baz and Nix. Oh, that's hardcore. TTO, hopefully appease me hopping about. Yeah, nice. Maker doesn't like flakes. Tree says, and yeah, talking to syntax. If I can figure out how to build Kinetic for OpenSUSE, I can always write a script for Don to give to those who want it. If you can get it working on OpenSUSE, I should be able to add it to the copper, and you should be able to get it from there, in theory. Flakes are so annoying. Theon, hello, welcome on in. Good to see you. My first distro was Linux Mint, then switched to Arch and daily drove it for 3 years. Now I'm planning on switching to Nix. That seems to be quite the journey, isn't it? John 404 not found. Hello, welcome on in. Good to see you. Hassan says, I started with Ubuntu because I didn't even know that there was something else. I didn't stay long because I quickly realized there were better options. Cool. Right, I think I made a mistake here. Whoa! Oh, shiny. Oh, shiny. More shiny.
I will not be surrounded.
But that's the yeah, that's the drone, isn't it? I've got a big gun right now.
Let's zero them.
Bear with.
Hold your position.
Get out of the way.
Me! I can't lose you, not now!
I can't like... Get out of the way!
They won't get me!
Right, now I've done that, I can talk to chat. Again, Ubuntu has a place in this world, just not in my world. Shanks is asking, what is your vibe coding stack? So so basically, the way I do it is I have actually, what's the best way to do this? If I bring up, just go lsblk. So I've got this drive here called development, and everything that I do is on that drive. I have a Fedora distro box, which has all of the development tools in it. So all of the building and stuff is done within a distro box. So I haven't got any. We'll look up here. Oh, you can't really see that. If I do a fast fetch in here, you can see I've got what 1,176 RPMs. That's pretty much mostly the base distro box Fedora install, and then the rest of it is dev tools. So that's all inside my well, basically a toolbox container image. So do everything in there. Then I use let me close that off. Close. Move from projects, and then we're going to go and can we close that one? I just need to move that out of the way. Close that. If I open up, let's say open up, go to development, projects, Kinetic. So let's say I'm working on Kinetic to do the, I need to exit first actually, exit. So then over here I'll have either Codex, Claude or Open Code. And then everything, and I'll have, for example, in here, I'll have a local terminal, and then I'll have another terminal here. So this will be, actually the top one is normally dev. Sorry, the top one's normally local, and this one's dev. So I'll do fedev in here. And then if I clear that, and then clear that, let's just move that out of the way for a second. So yeah, so this is how I work. Like that. That's for you, Shanks. Ubuntu to PopOS to Manjaro to Arch. That's a journey, Hassan. That's a nice journey. Wes, Ubuntu still isn't great by any means. As I said in my Ubuntu video, which you can find on my channel, I think Ubuntu's great. Again, it's another one of those operating systems that has a place in the world, just not in my world. My first distro was Vanilla Arch, which I installed by hand using the wiki and no CLI knowledge, all prior technical knowledge. Awesome. I barely knew how a web extension worked up to this point. That's awesome. Ubuntu is fine. Snaps are the issue. Yeah, snaps aren't great, but again, if it means that it's going to get people off of Windows, snaps are freaking awesome. What are you talking about? Tree says, I'm going to ask you, LGL, in chat, what is the endgame distro? I keep hearing Arch, Gentoo, Nix or endgame, but what is the true end? There isn't one really. Endgame is finding the distro that works for you in your workflow. That's the end game. We should use Linux in IT class. Also by bear with. I need to do that. I did actually make an image, but I can't find it. Swish says some random distro hopping aside. I started on Mint 20 years ago, moved to Arch at some point 10ish years ago, then 3 years ago moved to NixOS, and I'm never leaving. There you go. So that's it. You find what works for you. Yeah, whatever you want it to be. There is no progression or anything. Just use what you like with the features that you want. 100%, dude. Hassan says, back when I first started with Ubuntu, I searched for GIMP on the store and got 3 results. It was so confusing. That's probably Flat Hub, a local one, and then maybe Ubuntu Snap or something. I don't know. What I mean by local is like whatever it is, APT probably. Hey Jason, how you doing? Welcome in. Good to see you. Ramsey's in the house, settled with Gentoo, no other distro hop. I like Gentoo too. Yes, Jack, you're doing a lot on Gentoo right now, aren't you? How long did it take for that compile? Oh, I need to kill Nightbot. God damn it, I thought I got rid of that. That's quite the... let me just make sure I'm not going to dox myself. So I'll put that up there for now. There you go. Nightbot. How do I log in? Let's move that over there. Right, night commands, dashboard. Notice me, I have arrived. Exclamation. Does that still work then? Timers. Get rid of that one. We'll pop that one on. We'll do that but every 50 lines because we're quite busy tonight. Is there a disk mounted to the path, etc. hostname? Don't think so. Was that for me? All cows and penguins have super animal powers. Nice. Shanks is cool. I'm guessing I'm quite a way behind now, aren't I? How far am I behind? Quite a way behind. Cool. Hoping everyone's Saturday's going awesome. Likewise. Wes says returned to Windows until 2025. Now I'm split between Kashi and Endeavour. Okay, that's an interesting split actually. What's making you do that? I would have thought they're fairly similar, both being Arch based. Jensen says my Linux journey so far: Red Hat, Ubuntu, Debian, Ubuntu, Arch, Kashi. Nice. Oh, you got an arrow there. Oh, Fedora. Apt -v moo on the floor. Finley, it's still a good distro, but what's sad is it's rather corporate now. It used to be fun and colourful, but now it feels somewhat bland. Yeah. Yeah, no, I think you're right. It is a corporate distro, but I think that's intentional. You look at the size of Pinocchio. I used to say Pinocchio. I think I actually said Pinocchio in a video. Hey John, how you doing? Welcome on in, John 407. Good to see you. The true end game is Linux from scratch. Yeah, nah. You're good, Hassan. I'll let you do that. Tell us how it goes, yeah? Swish says the actual true end game is giving up on all this nonsense and becoming a hermit in the woods. Or maybe that's just my end goal, or my goal. Jason says sadly Mint and Mate may be the only car I'll be safe to drive. Oh man. Are you using Windows Manager Kitty? Wait, what? What's that, John? Are you using Windows Manager? Yes. Kitty. I use Kitty, Alacrity, and Foot. If I press this button here,
Who's that peeking in my shape? Fast fetch loads my system well. One command, there it goes. Everything I nerd should know.
Seth. I use them all. I'm not anal about which terminal I use. Not saying that everyone else is, just that I'm definitely not. Window Manager is KineticWE. I need a button for that. Remind me tomorrow. Yeah, Linux from scratch. 3 hours to... Oh, 3 hours, damn. Was it worth it though? Crossy-eyed Cobra, while the VM is loading, I did some digging. It recommends that if you're building for OpenSUSE, you do not use copper. Okay, the binaries and packages are different. It recommends just to use the OBS. Ah, okay. So I don't have that. So we're gonna have to rely on you for that one. Who has a NASA PC that can compile LFS in 3 hours? I got my Steam controller. Oh, nice. Yay, Steam controller. Let's go. Mine's getting some dust on it. Is that dust? Yeah, I've not really used it much. Brendan says, yes, indeed. Hermit in the Woods is the ultimate endgame. I can vouch for that one. My comment was a meme to begin with. Okay. Shanks says, everyone is sharing their journey. My one would be wild. Windows, Ubuntu, Mint, Deepin, Archcraft, Arch, Hackintosh, Kashi, Arch, now it's Bazite, and KineticWE. That deserves one of those. Noctalia, since I followed on. Excellent, excellent. Strawberry says, some fast fetch screen showed a 300 gig read-only partition mounted it. Oh, did it? It's that one. That's my root. Yeah, it's my root there. Now, I know for a fact that Jack is going nuts right now at how bad my F-stab looks. So we're going to get out of there quick. Shanks, well, that's Jenny. Yeah. Finley says LFS is pretty cool. I won't lie. Yeah, I don't think I've got any interest in that, to be honest. I think I was put off back in the. Is that triggering anyone else? No, that is central. Okay, we're good. I think I got put off back in the late 90s, early 2000s, where I tried to compile a kernel and followed the instructions letter by letter, and then got to the end and then it didn't work, and I could not for the life of me work out why. So I just never used Linux again after that. I call Canonical comical. So Mako says, my journey is Arch, Fedora, Nix, Gentoo, NixOS. Okay. Why is your shell a foot? Huh. So there's a story behind that. So I use Alacrity for the music. So this is Alacrity. And obviously I've got this, which is Kitty. And then I use Foot for the fast fetch. And it's all to do with window rules at the moment. And I think me and Don worked out, or Don worked it out yesterday that I can use Kitty for all of them, but it's a little bit of trickery and pokery to get it to work, and I've just not had the chance to do it yet, or the appetite, because everything's working. You know how it is where you know that you can fix something to do it differently, but it's working right now, so you can't be asked. It's kind of that. Swish says, I watched Tony, by the way, install LFS, and I feel like I'm set with the experience and don't need to try it myself. There you go. Crossroad Cobra, we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Tree says, have you tried Ultramarine? I haven't, and I won't. Let's just leave it there. I did a video on why. It took me 8 hours to compile up to chapter 8 of LFS. Wow, Mako. Damn. MNRA, how you doing? Welcome on in. Is Kinetic could be a standalone without KDE? Kind of. But there's too much stuff in KDE, there's too much stuff in KDE that it relies on. So do you have to install KDE to run Kinetic? No, but it will put in KDE Desktop and Plasma Workspace. So the real answer is not yet. Where it says the split is cache for gaming rig, Endeavour for the basic internet. But okay, cool. Maybe a fast fetch bug. Wait, what? What was the fast fetch bug? Oh, I see. Right, I got you. Yeah, it's only based on KWin, which is a small part of KDE. No, KWin is not a part of KDE. Well, it is a part of KDE, but it's not. You can run KWin and a KWin session without KDE, but you can't run KDE without KWin. Generic fstab. Yeah, I knew it. I knew you'd call me out on that one. Mango Ace, hello. Welcome on in. Good to see you. Hi, I saw the title. Can you help me with something? I want to know if having standalone Linux is better or using WSL. Well, WSL isn't really Linux because you're not going to get a true experience. You're not going to experience Wayland or anything like that. Although it does open up, you can open up apps, obviously. So if you install WSL 2 and then install, say, Fedora, and then you can install my app and it will work and it'll open up in Windows as if it's like native, but you're not going to get the true full experience. So I would suggest looking into either running a virtual machine on Windows and trying out Linux that way, or just go for it. Maybe make a new partition, install Windows and just see how you get on. That's what I would suggest, Mango. Finley says LFS is not LFS not for daily driving, but when installing it you learn so much about how Linux works. Cool. Tyler, hello, welcome on in. Good to see you, dude. What up, LGL? What up, Tyler? Crossy Eye Cobra says, okay, here's a fun question. If Wayland WMs didn't exist, what would you use? I don't know. I've never used anything but Wayland, and I can't see what all the fuss is about. I don't know. It would be whatever I landed on first and then decided to move from second. I mean, Strawberry Kitten's asking here, what do you want to do with Linux? That's a great question, but a more important question is, what's your hardware? Open Foam? Oh, I don't know. Got no idea with that one then. Swish says most terminals can launch with a flag set to custom class, then you can match the class on the window rules. Yeah, that's kind of where we landed, but it took us a little while to get there. In fact, I can't even remember how Don did it, but Don diddly did it, and he's got it on his system. So what I'll do is I'll hassle him when I can be bothered to go through. Heyo says, have you thought about messing with any local AI stuff? No, not really. Got more important things to do. Calcifer says, started a month ago, Nabara, KashioS with Neri Noctalia. Very happy so far. Not going to go down the iceberg hole, keeping it minimal, functional. Perfect. That sounds perfect. Spec Drake, hello, welcome on in. In Linux, how activate FSR4 on a 9070 XT? If you use the KashioS Proton, I think it's built into that, and I think it's built into experimental as well. Yeah. On some games you need to, but in most cases you shouldn't have to. So I've got it on, if I go to, oh hang on, I need to move that over there now, don't I? So I'm rocking FSR 4 in Cyberpunk right now, and I think that's to do with the fact that I am rocking the KineticWE latest Proton. Hey Dex Tex Mex Tex Mex Mex Tex, how you doing? Welcome on in, dude. Good to see you. WL is just for Linux tools inside Windows, but it's not a Linux dock. Yeah, but you can launch apps from it, Finley. No, you can actually launch apps, so you can run Firefox, Edge. You can run My Tools. Any you can run anything as an app, and it looks as if it's native on Windows. That's what you can do that with WSL2. Mango, thanks. No worries, dude. I'm waiting for... Oh, that's a good point, actually. Let's do that now.
A different road, a different pitch. 100 followers, I'm live on Twitch. Linux gaming, the highs and lows. What's behind the screen? Nobody knows.
Hey CG Nexus, welcome on in. Good to see you. Hello there. I started using Linux after losing a $500 laptop to Windows. Oh my god, that sucks. Oh, speaking of Black Dawn.
Fresh pizza, fresh tech, fresh fun. Everybody welcome the Black Dawn.
Let's go. Hello dude, how you doing mate? Good to see you. We're talking about you. Were your ears burning by any chance? We're talking about window rules and using Kitty to do all of the things that I'm using Foot and Alacrity to do. But I just can't be asked to do it because it's all working. And at some point, when I go to do it, I will have forgotten it. And I'll come to you and say, can you show me your window rules, Don? Because you sorted it out and now I need to sort it out. So can you help me with that? That's kind of how it's going to go. CG Nexus says, Ubuntu, then Mint, then KineticOS, all in 1 year. Nice. Good journey, dude. Nah, I don't. Nah, KineticOS is not the best. Might be the best for you, dude, but it's not the best for me. Swish says, that's how I do custom scratch pads on Hyperland. I launch applications with special flags, then match them to send like 5 versions to the same app to different workspaces. Nice. Yeah, we can do a similar thing in the window rules. Chlorine says Twitch is mega bloated though, crap all over the screen and ads every 2 minutes. Well, there's an easy way to stop the ads, and that's to pay to support the streamer. But if Twitch isn't for you, then that's fine. You don't have to go and watch it, you know. Twitch is a really, really good way to get engagement. So YouTube's fantastic for discovery, whereas Twitch is shit for discovery. But when it comes to engagement tools, YouTube has nothing on Twitch. Oh yeah, so yeah, if I get to 100 over on Twitch, I will stream there. I wonder what kind of pizza you got. Oh yeah, what kind of pizza did you get? Oh, we're up to date. We're up to date. Excellent. John coming in there with the U-Block origin. Awesome. Good. Well done. Thank you for sharing. Good job. I don't know what to say. Very mysterious music, yeah, doesn't it? The Low Noise is in the house. Hello, welcome on in. Good to see you. Hello, I joined the Linux world last weekend. When Windows somehow decided to active a local user when I just downloaded the Win11 ISO to repair the Windows I had, and it went mental rogue on me. Damn it. Delete. Control Alt Delete. Get rid of everything. Yeah, Crossy-eyed Cobra is working on trying to build Kinetic for TumbleWE. Let's go. That'd be awesome. I mean, it'd be much easier if you just switched to Fedora, but no, if you can get it working on OpenSUSE, that would be cool. But we've established, Don, that we can't use Copper for it. We have to use OBS, and I don't have the appetite or capacity to go down that route. So over to you, Cobra. Swish, I'm just happy to not be a second-class citizen in this stream. I don't get that. What? Crossy OK, I have an OBS account if we need to go that route. Excellent. So Dron started with Mint to Zorin to Kashi and back to Mint. That's quite a journey. That's it. You've got to go with the distro that suits you best and that works for you, right? Well, I actually need to move that back over here. And then we can go back into Cyberpunk. Where were we? I was dying, wasn't I? Oh no. Getting shiny, get shiny, get shiny. It still seems quite loud. I keep pressing space to pick stuff up, and it's never been space to pick stuff up, but yeah, I still press it.
Where are you?
Oh. I heard. We've only got 56 bullets left, though. Shh. Can't see a bloody thing.
Four
there's
left,
a...
2 seats. Let's grab them.
What's grenade? Middle mouse. Well, he's got like a big marker above his head. That's not what we want, is it? Am I out of bullets? No, right, hang on. LGL, do you have a Discord server of your own? Yes, I do. It's a members only Discord. Body identified. Oh, shiny. Ooh. Shiny. I got bacon with ham for the kids and just sausage and pepperoni with crust, stuffed crust for me. Oh. Oh, hi Swish. I can talk to you on YouTube now because I'm not streaming. There'll be a lot less salads from Don in chat, you know, because you can check it before it actually leaves the keyboard. TPM, you never have to disable it for any distro. For KineticOS to support secure boot, you have to set it up first. Mex Tech says I tried quite a few distros before finally landing on PKOS. Nice. Oh, hello Zero Linux, good to see you. You got one of these for you. Am I late? Yes, you are. What did you miss? Not a lot, really. Just chat. I'm playing the game of chat. It's one of the best games you can play as a streamer. Not going to lie. Dexmex Tex. I'm still got the USBs of the other distros. Nice. Yeah, I've got quite the distro collection going on. If we go and have a look in, we can minimize that now. We go into here. Go into distros. Yeah, I've got quite the collection going on there. I thought it told me how much is in there. Oh, 90 gigs worth of distros. LGL did a backflip earlier. Did I? How did I do a backflip? What did I miss? Hey, Ohio Riz, welcome on in. Good to see you. I'm guessing you're from Columbus, Ohio? No. Columbus is in Ohio, isn't it? Ohio's the state. Columbus is maybe the capital of Ohio? Best PvP game for Linux. Go! Right, you like Marvel Rivals. So you and Donna get on really, really well. I quite like Marvel Rivals, and I can't believe I just said that out loud because I never used to like it before until I met Don. Exclamation mark Don effect. Now, I am actually a new fan of Overwatch. Now, I quite like that. But if I'm going to go PvP, I think Arc Raiders, DayZ. I quite like DayZ. I couldn't join your channel because being a member of YouTube channel is not available. Oh, that sucks. That really sucks. Damn, no salad. Set game chat. Yeah. One day I will have all those commands. See what Don doesn't know is I spent all this time training to get his stream like, up there. Oh, thank you very much. Zero Linux, that's awesome. Appreciate you, dude. 6 months. Holy shit. Holy crap, dude. It says something about cleaning your apartment. Hang on, let me bring that over here. Let me just do this.
Release the window from tiling hell.
Well, that's not ideal. How do we deal with that? Oh, there you go. Oh my god. Oh my, how am I supposed to read all that? Oh. I was cleaning my apartment, ordering a new chair, current one is killing my back, still not fully set up. Did you see my setup? No, I haven't. When did you post it? Where did you post it and when did you post it? We're back in the chat game, Cleveland area. There we go. So it's a guess. I mean, I'm not up on my old US geography. Too bad there is still no VRAM fixed in NVIDIA. O'Hira's, what's your thoughts on ZRAM? Do you use it? Do I use it? Let me just find out what FastFetch says. Where is it? FastFetch. I've got a swap, 8 gig.
Who's that peeking in my shape? Fast fetch loads my system well. One command, there it goes. Everything on earth should know.
I don't think I do. Huh. I thought I did, but maybe I don't. Someone else will have to tell me. I don't really need it though. I've got 64 gig. That was a flex. Jack says, I only use ZRAM. There you go. Low noise. Cleveland, just don't mention the finals. Yeah, the finals is quite good, but I just don't like the time to kill on it. As I keep saying, if the finals had the same time to kill as Impulse, I would never leave that game. I really, really wouldn't. Crossy says, yeah, it would be a bit of a long-term project, working on a script to cross-reference the packages from Fedora to Tumbleweed, then I can write the build script to build it. Nice. Yeah, how's it going, Zero? Lo-Fi Boy, hello. Lo-Fi Boy, shush. Lo-Fi Boy, Shushan. Man, my Windows just got cooked. I'm thinking to delete it overall. Do it. Oh my god. Lovers LL Oversell. Is that your Windows that's screwing up your typing? On Discord General, cool. I'll have a look once the stream's done, dude. What sim setup do you have? Salad. Let's go, Don. Are you typing on your phone? Is that what you're doing? I thought my intro music was coming on. You need to get that little green icon next to your name, you know. Yuki Love, hello Yuki Love, welcome on in, good to see you. A while for it to come to Linux. Wait, what? Oh, hang on, low noise. It's not you getting BF6 to work. It's EA DICE needing to add anti-cheat support. They never planned for Linux support, so they never included it in their own anti-cheat. So it's going to be, deep breath, a while for it to come to Linux. Yeah, I think it will come to Linux. I think it is a long time away though. Mine works on Linux. I have a Moser 5 and a shifter and eBay handbrake and Trustmaster pedals. Nice. Sus Han. Wind blows indeed. I got Windows curse is on me. Salad. Yes, I'm on my phone. Of course you are. I'm in India. Our names get confused regularly. Ah, okay. Namaste. Just joined, so I don't know the context for dual boot. Oh, I don't either. Dual boat. A Yuki salad. Did you see this? Oh, Yuki, look. Look at that. And inspired by your one, I did a Z one. I did a OBS one. Parallels, Steam, Touch Portal, and Discord. I haven't done any of the other ones though. Thoughtbrick, hello Thoughtbrick, how you doing? Welcome in. To be fair, games like BF COD will expire before they get Linux support. I don't know though, because I did advertise for a senior security engineer to work on anti-cheat, and it did have at the bottom of the job ad support for Proton and Linux. So it looks like they're cooking something. Hopefully that that gets cooked pretty soon. There we go. Now we need a scribbled cursor. I did cheat a little bit on those, so yeah. Because I was going to ask Yuki to do all of them, but then I started looking through all of my icons and thought that's a lot. So I got some help from my friend. What cursors am I using? That's a great question. Let's go and have a look. Bring that down to... have we got an empty screen? I don't think we've got an empty screen, have we? No, we haven't. So let's just close that up. Mouse and trackpad is in here. Where is cursor? Oh no, there's an R in it. Pointers. I'm using Material Light. By Varlesh. Available in 24, 32, 48 and 64. Hey Mr. Plasma, how you doing? Welcome on in. Good to see you, dude. How's it going? Yuki, need to make an icon pack. Yeah, you do. Yeah, do that. Make an icon pack. That would be cool. Thoughtbrick, hello by the way. Hello. Good to meet you. If Adobe was officially on Linux, I think way more people would come, even though Adobe is not a good company in Surface. Yeah, I mean, I use Adobe, but I do it over on my Mac. So I use Parsec to connect into my Mac. So all of my thumbnails and stuff I do in Photoshop. Now, I might switch to Affinity. So my license runs out in January for this. And I might not renew it. I might go to Affinity instead and install Affinity on my Mac, because I'm not a fan of making Affinity work on Linux. If it had a native version of Affinity on Linux, I'd already be on it. And I made that decision last December because I wasn't going to renew my Adobe license in January if Affinity came to Linux, but it didn't. So I renewed my license. So I might change tack slightly and say, well, I'm going to carry on using my Mac, but I'll use Affinity instead. I might do that. And that's based on seeing Don work with Canva, because basically Affinity's owned by Canva. So yeah, We'll see. But I don't know that's a I don't think that's going to make a massive dent, Mr. Plasma. I think you might get some people over. I don't think it'll make a massive dent. But I'd highly recommend, especially now, if you can, get yourself a little Mac Mini. Adobe Photoshop is kind of on Linux. It's a lot of work around. I've seen someone get Photoshop working on Linux recently. Yeah, but I'm not a fan of doing that, you know. If I'm going to run it on Linux, I'm going to run it natively. No, it's not. Affinity's not. Well, the last time I looked, it was only Windows and Mac. There isn't a native one. Yeah, you can get it to work. I managed to get Photoshop working in Winboat when I had Winboat installed, but it wasn't great. It wasn't a good experience. Thoughtbrook, Adobe would be good reason to make Linux more popular, but we all know how Adobe thinks. I'm just waiting for a decent AutoCAD alternative for Linux, and I'm off Windows for good. There. Yeah, AutoCAD seems to be a big thing for people. In fact, I see more comments around AutoCAD than I do for Adobe, which is bizarre. Random question for chat. If you can give me advice, should I use GitHub, GitLab or Codeberg? Definitely not Codeberg. Not a fan. Don has introduced me to GitLab, which is quite nice, but all of my stuff is on GitHub. And I don't mind. I don't mind it being owned by Microsoft. I don't have that hang up that a lot of people do. I don't mind there being Copilot there to help you out with doing things like putting a title for your commit, or getting it to make a commit message for you. I don't mind all that. And Microsoft is paying for the kernel, so, you know. A higher res is coming up on my first year anniversary of completely switching to Linux, which I kind of did because I messed up a Windows install. Nice. That's a really good one to do, actually. You screw up your Windows install, it's like, fuck it, I'm going to go to Windows now. That's good. Awesome. No, it's about low noise. It's about the same amount, dude. What I'm paying for Photoshop. In fact, I think Affinity's with Canva is probably a little bit. I think it's a little bit more. So yeah, it's not that. If you go for the full suite, then yeah, it's a ridiculous amount of money. But I don't need the full suite. I think it's either about the same or the other one was a little bit more. There's an app image for Affinity, still does run under Wine. Yeah, so I'm not interested in that. If I'm going to run it, I'll run it natively and I'll just run it on the Mac. Thank you for sharing, Sarah. The only thing I don't want is my code training Copilot. Well, then don't use GitHub. I don't think it does, but if you're worried about that, then don't use GitHub. I think I've got a thing on YouTube actually where it says, do you mind if we use your videos to train our AI? And I'm like, yeah, sure, fine, great, yeah, whatever. Thoughtbrick. Oh, that's how I started. Warframe. Oh yeah, I did a video with Warframe in the background actually. I messed up my Destiny install. Destiny doesn't work on Linux, does it? Yeah, what Ramsey says, yeah, avoid GitHub. But GitHub is the biggest, right? It's the biggest, it's going to get the most exposure. It's got that infrastructure there already. But if you're not worried about that sort of stuff, then it really doesn't matter. But I won't touch Codeberg because the old they're not a fan of AI or LLM. So I want Copilot to train on my Nix repo because maybe I'll make AI less shit at Nix. That's funny. Yeah, I'm not a fan of Codeberg at all. I'm going to say GitHub is the GOAT. Tree CTF. I avoid games that are not Linux supported. Yep, same here really. I did have a Windows install for a while, but yeah, I got rid of it. In fact, I think I still got it on a SSD. Like, what's it called? What's the connector called again? SATA. Is it SATA? Yeah, I got one of those. I hate Flutter development for Nix. Dron says, no Apex, COD or PUBG. Apex is the game that I did miss. Apex and Delta Force were the games that I miss. And I was tempted to go back. When I installed because I got early access to Battlefield 6. So I installed that on a Windows partition on my second PC so I could play it. But I played it through Parsec. So I'm sat on my Linux desktop using Parsec to connect to Windows and playing Battlefield 6 that way. And when I was on there playing Battlefield 6, I actually installed Delta Force. And I was like, oh my God, maybe I can do this. But then I thought, nah, I'm not doing it. I'm gonna be strict. I'm not. I mean, PUBG did actually release another game called Black something, and that did actually work on Linux for about 2 days, and then they released a patch, and then that patch stopped it from working on Linux. Literally, I did a video saying, "Oh my God, this is working on a PUBG game's working on Linux. This is brilliant, yay!" And then, like a couple of days later, it stopped working. I was gutted. It was quite a good game. Coburg isn't for me. After looking at 3 to 5 files, it just stops loading for a few hours. Probably thinks I'm a bot or something. It's not even worth trying to fix. Yeah, fair enough. Thought Brick, I wanted to play Destiny on Windows, and thanks to its download manager, I went to Warframe. I don't regret it at all. Nice. Jensen in the house. Hello, welcome on in. Good to see you. How are you doing? Yuki Love, don't you need another PC for Parsec? Yes. So I've got my second PC under, where's my hand? So under here, there's PC number 2, which I'll be upgrading from PC number 1, which is over here under my desk. So everything that's in that PC is going to be going into this PC. In fact, that whole case is going to go here. This case is going to come out. And then the GPU that's in that PC is going into this PC, which I'm building, which is going into a case that's behind me, which is the case is way too big to fit under my desk. So I'm having to like jerry rig something or MacGyver the shit out of my desk to make it work. So, and then I'll, but you can't parsec to Linux. You can only parsec to Windows or Mac. I do not remember how to troubleshoot Windows anymore. Being away for so long, I'm better for it. I actually feel smarter using Linux than Windows. Yeah, awesome. It's funny because I still use Windows every day. Most of the time I can get away with using Edge on my Linux setup to access my work stuff, and I can do most of that. But as soon as I need to do anything admin related, I have to jump onto the laptop, and that is Windows, and that is painful. Not gonna lie. Although I put Power Toys on, which is making it a little bit more bearable. Dron says, yeah, I missed Apex 2, but I can just play it on PS5. Yeah, so I played it on PS5 for quite a bit, and I played it on my Xbox Series X. I got quite a few hundreds of hours across those two. But then when I started playing FPS games on PC, I managed to eventually switch over to using keyboard and mouse for Apex, and now when I go back I find it quite hard, so I just don't bother playing it on at all now. I've got 3,500 hours and about 3,500 Apex coins on Apex Legends, just sat there doing nothing. Jensen saying, I've been wondering if my Steam VLC scaling issue is related to XWayland, which is fine on Plasma with the Wayland bridge thingy. Don't know, dude. I've never used scaling. I've always had it set. Is it 100%, I think? Where's the scaling? Is there scaling? Scale, yeah, I always have it at 100%. Because I don't have a 4K screen, so this works fine for me. You have got this switch here though that might work. Legacy applications X11. You can get it to scale by the system. rather than it applying the scaling themselves. So you could try that, I suppose. Pop that back. Oh no, no, we'll pop that back there because that looks cool there. Oh damn, if I knew about Parsec at the time, I would have kept my second PC. Yeah, this whole video. Can I find a browser that might be open? Yeah, let's just close that for a sec. If we go to here, go to videos, go to, we'll just scroll through. Where are you? Where are you? Oh, here you go. I said Battlefield 6 sucks. Probably. Wasn't that one though. Oh, here we go. Yeah. Go through the Windows install process and hit an immediate roadblock. You need to be on the internet to create an account. Good. I'll put a link for that in the description and for Parsec. Now, I rarely use EA or Epic on my Linux box, so I thought, you know what, I'll just install those launchers on the bastardized PC. And again, I'm take you straight to the reveal. All I'm doing is using a second PC. That's nothing major. To be honest, I think it's because I wanted to know if I could run games from. I will rarely use the PC and rarely play games on it, unless I get addicted to Delta Force or Apex again, of course, but I don't think I will. And big reveal time, this whole gameplay that you've seen here is me playing Battlefield through Parsec connected to my second PC. Pretty cool, huh? One thing I did have a problem with is getting the sound to record through OBS. Now I could hear it when I'm playing, but it didn't record. Yeah, so that was one of the problems. But yeah, that was cool. That was cool. Where's my hand? What? Oh, I just did a migration from one case to another. I would love to help you out with that. Oh, I did it on stream actually, not long ago. I actually quite like it. It's Smitty's fault. Where is Smitty? God damn it, Smitty. Yeah, he kind of got me back into hardware, and Defiant as well got me back into hardware. Surprised how well it went. I have dual boot on both OSs, Debian and Windows, working fine. That's nice thought, Brick. Awesome. Parsec versus Moonlight and Sunlight. What's your thoughts? So Parsec to anything that's not Linux, because you can't host on Linux. You can only be a client on Linux. If you're going Linux to Linux, then it's a no-brainer. It's Moonlight and Sunlight. But for me, Parsec's perfect because I've got a Mac over there, and I just literally use Parsec to connect to it. And I've got the second PC down there, but that used to have Windows on it, but it doesn't anymore. A very common cause for XWayland scaling issues is having a monitor set to have a negative offset for some reason. Ah, okay. Oh, I don't understand. Yeah, I was thinking the same. I don't understand that either. Parsec's this tool here that I use to connect to other computers. Obviously, you can see just a Mac. That allows me to connect to the Mac, and it's pretty much near native. That looks offset now. I would have thought it was there. In fact, there we go. So yeah, I can basically access my Mac, do all my editing. So I've got my video editing. It's going to be loud, so we're not pressing that one. I can scrub through everything like you can normally. Pretty cool. So I do everything on there for editing. Quite nice. There. Yeah, but scaling by system will also affect Steam games, and it's super blurry. Try that switch that I just showed you. And I have to use scale 200%, else everything will be so small. Oh, I see. Have you got is it a 4K monitor then? I'm guessing. Yuki, hello, part 2. Wait, what? Hello. Good to see you. Have some of that. And you can even have some of that. There you go. Actually, I think I did watch that video before. Awesome. Oh my god, Cookie. Yay. Hey, Ertu. I've been watching too much League of Legends. I'm getting the itch so bad. No, don't do it. Don't do it. Ertu, resist. Resist. Jump into deadlock. Jump into deadlock. Do that. It's not quite the same, but it might meet the itch. I only keep playing because my friend group plays Battlefield and I used to clan play competitive. Oh, okay. That's fair enough. John says MacBook Neo and Linux Mint. What else do you need? If it works for you, dude, do that. Algia, did you get Don affected to play windowed instead of full screen? No. I've always played it at 2440. Hang on, what is it? 2560 by 1440. Which is basically fitting inside this section here. So I've always used to play it like that. But then when I did start using Niri, which was a Don effect, I actually quite liked it because I can still do everything else outside the game and just quickly jump back into the game when I need to. You know, it's quite cool like that. I can drop that where I want to. We can close that off now. So let's close that off. It's quite nice. Do you ever play full screen off stream? No, not really. I might play it full screen, but at 16 by 9, because obviously I've got an ultra wide, and I can't play it. I can't play it full screen ultra wide because over here it's far too. I have to move my head to look over there, whereas with 16 by 9, I don't have to move my head. I can see everything. And even more so when it's in a window, I don't have to move my head at all. I can see everything. So it actually works quite nice. Smitty's in the house. We were just talking about you, dude. Where are you? You're there.
Smitty in the house, penguin flying high, frames are looking smooth, and now it's game time.
Oh yeah, so I've not experienced the 4K thing. I've been looking at a 5K, 2K monitor, but I can't really afford it now because of this, but more importantly because of this. How are you doing, Smitty? Let's go! Deadlock is better, there you go. Anyone have any tips about how to get my CPU 7800 XD to chill a bit while idling? Constant, what distro are you on? You just use the power profile stuff. You want to switch it down to like power save. That'll do it. The problem I have is the opposite. I always have it on power save, so I end up like playing a game and then I get Smitty shouting at me saying, "You've got power save on," and I have to up it. So do the opposite. Yeah, there you go. And Strawberry Kitten used to shout at me as well. That's good. Both you and Spitty had my back. Ultra Wifes. Ultra Wifes. I love that. That's brilliant. Ultra Wife. Are Ultra Wifes well supported on Linux? Or do you run into problems? No problem at all. It works great. If I just switch it over to it, there you go. We'll run like this for a little while. Works absolutely great. Ultra Waves. KineticWE. Yeah, you might want to mess around. So I think KineticWE has got a profiling tool. Are you on KDE? There is the power profile daemon where you can set it between 3 different settings. I think it's power save, balanced, and then performance. And you can actually change those by using tuned. So you can actually change the performance one to be, I can't remember what it's called now. I'll have to open up my app. Hang on. Let me just do that for a sec. So at the moment, I'm running on balanced. But if I go to profiles, there is one called accelerator. Yeah. So I think when you go to, so on the normal setting where you got 3. You'll have power save, balanced, and then you'll have throughput performance. I think they're the main 3 that you would normally use. But I use, when I'm gaming, and I'm not using it at the moment, which is quite funny, I'm using balanced for Cyberpunk. But when I'm if I want to, in fact, I've not actually switched latency performance or accelerated performance on. I was playing Overwatch. I recorded Overwatch with balanced on. So, but yeah, so I use that, to be honest. Got hot. That's a hood turn. Does the background not bother you? No, not at all. I actually quite like it. Every now and then, oh, that's a nice wallpaper. In fact, I didn't notice it until you just told me, and I'm like, oh, what we got now? Oh, we got that's a Don paper. Don paper, that is. Oh wait, what? Something just got disconnected. Oh nice, we're good, we're good. I just moved my seat and then something got disconnected. Division, that's it, thank you. Ultrawide support just fine. Smitty said I'm full. What did you have, Smitty? Thank you, no worries, dude. No worries, Cat. Good to meet you. Yeah, KD Plasma. Yeah, you should be able to set the profile. I don't know if it's if there's a plasmoid that does that for you or not. I don't know. Hey, Cameron, how you doing? Welcome on in. Good to see you. Tree, I think you're right there. Isn't Ultrawide for wife that uses Linux? 100%. Yeah, make sure you go and say hi to the Black Don over at the Black Don channel. Does that link actually work? It doesn't work, does it? God damn it. Let's go to here. Go back to Nightbot. Timers. Edit. There we go. Oh, we got some comments.
In the comments section with LGL.
Let's just go to here. Jay Yoon says, how can I make it just like Brave in terms of privacy tracker and ads block? I'm also afraid about the memory consumption. No idea. I don't use Brave. No idea. I don't use Brave. How's the video doing? Firefox was my home. I have been using... we need to go newest. Oh, no idea. No idea. No idea. Sorry. Google it. Cool dude Clem. I stopped using Firefox mainly due to YouTube video issues. It would often play the wrong video or put some random website in the window where the video should be. Brave never gave me this issue. Cool. Oh, there's lots of them. Oh, we're not going to go through all those. Swish. There we go. All this and no cute Bowser. Shaking my head. Shaking my head, my head. Damn it, are you shaking my head, my head? God damn it. It's like, how many heads do you even have? Anybody else in there I recognise? Members? Any members in there? I can see Calc. I already responded to Calcifer. If you recognise your name, let me know and I'll go and respond to it live on stream. Let's go. Cable Jimmy. That's quite a cool name. Cool. Let's get back to it. Being stuck at 4.5, 100% all the time. That is a bit weird. Not gonna lie. Spicy chicken, fries, and cheesecake milkshake. Oh, god damn it. Cameron JK, do you have a video tutorial, like a complete step-by-step to set up Linux Fedora? Kind of. I wouldn't say it's step-by-step, but it might help you with your journey. So you would go to my channel. There's a couple. Let me think. What would be the best one to I mean, I kind of show it off in this video. So add that to your watch later list. Hang on. Copy. Where's the chat? Chat's over here. And then I think I do another one a bit further back, but it's very specific about have I actually done another one or not? I built, yeah, so I've got an install script. That's old though. Short answer is no. I mean, it's not that difficult. Hit that like. Oh yeah, do that. How are we doing for likes? Did that show in the overlay? Am I actually pressing the overlay? Oh, there we go. Let's go. We are so close. We are so close. We need one more like to hit our target. Let's go. One more like, guys. One more like. That's really weird. That overlay button just doesn't seem to work. It doesn't make sense. I'm the 35th like. It still says 34 for me. Oh, we need members as well. Hasn't caught up yet. Oh, no, hang on, wait, is that? Not yet. Okay. We'll wait. We'll wait for it. I see 37. Let's go. See, Cameron, the problem with doing videos like that is it's not really what the channel's about. And I'm always reluctant to do them because then it changes the audience. I want to try and keep the audience the same so they watch the videos. I've already seen it with some of the other videos that I've done that they're not as attractive to the audience that I've got. But for the members and stuff like that, I'd absolutely show them how to do it. And in fact, I helped to find out on his journey in the Discord and stuff like that. But to do a video on it, it's quite a huge undertaking. Not in terms of making the video, that'd be easy, but it's just the whole sticking it on YouTube and hoping that it gets the hits, you know. The power saver I have down on the right doesn't give the most advanced options. No, you normally only got 3 options. As I say, power save, balanced, and performance. You can change them in the back end. I can't remember how you do it though. But you need to use tuned, I think, for that. Here is the requirement for Ultrawide. Uses Linux, uses the distro that you like, and runs a window manager. For me, probably, yeah. Fedora, let's go. Yeah, about window managers. I see window manager like UI on the screen, but settings are from KDE. Is that a modified KDE or window manager? It's modded. So basically it's KWin has been forked and tiling has been added to the to KWin, and then it's using well, it's called system settings now. It used to be called KDE system settings, but it's actually now called just system settings. And it uses that to manage some of the settings. So if I open up that there, you can use system settings with just KWin, but you don't get as much of these KCMs. So these are K configuration modules along here, and some of the modules have more than one thing. So I think there's a networking KCM. There's probably a maybe a systems and privacy one. A lot of these won't appear because KWin doesn't bring in the K configuration modules. What brings in the K configuration modules is Plasma-Desktop or Plasma-Workspace or KDE-Desktop. So you kind of need those dependencies to bring in all of the KCMs that you need for this to work. What Don is trying to do is to limit that as much as possible and try and keep it as far away from KDE as possible. But that's not easy to do without having to fork every single module and building it yourself. So it's a sort of a hybrid between using KDE but without Plasma Shell, and that's the bit that we're getting down here. Plasma Shell is normally this bit down here and the bars and that sort of stuff. And then focusing on it being KWin with Noctalia. So that's kind of where we are at the moment. KineticWE is KDE without the Plasma, focused on providing a KWin compositor with built-in tiling and the window manager feel. And Noctalia. I said Noctalia, didn't I? So yeah, hopefully that makes sense. Synchra, there we go. What is your favorite thing about your Linux build that is not possible on Windows and Mac OS? Everything, CAD. Everything. The shell. The window management. Being able to go, right, so this is what I can't do on Windows. I'd love to be able to do it on Windows, but I can't do it, okay? So I'm going to open up Dolphin. And I'm going to open up Dolphin. I'm going to open up Dolphin. I'm going to go, boom. So I've now got stacked. I've got, if you look at the top left up here, columns, monocle, auto grid, center tile, master stack, the one that I normally use. I can drag them wherever I want to go really, really quickly. You can't do that on Windows. You can drag it up to a bar that opens up along the top and then put it into a window. That's a green screen one, isn't it? That's quite cool actually. So I got distracted then. And you could probably set up key binds to do that, ! Key binds. But it's just not as smooth as this. It's not as easy to set up. It's not as quick to change between the different things and all that malarkey, you know. I like to use master stack. Yeah. Does your install script still work? I think it probably does, Cameron, but I haven't used it for a while. But that installs, so you need to install Fedora everything and choose nothing. You then land in TTY, and then you need to install Git, and then you need to git clone my script and then run my script, and that will install Niri and Noctalia. That's called fednirinoc. You're better off, if you want to do it, you're better off doing the Fedora build using everything but installing nothing. Then grab KineticWE, but also you need to install your favorite terminal, because when you install Fedora everything and choose nothing, you literally get nothing. So just bear that in mind. If you're going to go down the route of Fedora everything, if you choose the core custom build, you will not get anything. So if you end up installing KineticWE and Noctalia and get into a desktop, you're not going to have a terminal because you haven't installed one. And that's what I actually like about it. KDE Plasma was the best interface I tried. Yeah, I mean, KDE Plasma was my go-to choice for well over a year. Well, yeah, it's over a year because I started off with it on SteamOS. Really loved that. And then moved to Fedora with KDE Plasma. Really, really love that. And a lot of my early videos are talking about how much I love KDE Plasma. It wasn't until I switched to a window manager, which was Neri and Noctalia, and the customization that gave me. It's a simple thing, right? The clock. See the clock up there, right? We're going to go into settings. I'm going to click go. I'm going to go to my bar. And today, I want my clock to be in the middle. So I'm going to grab the clock and I'm going to stick it in the middle. And we're done. Oh no, I want the clock on the left hand side. We're going to stick it there. Clock's over on the left hand side. Oh no, actually I want it back on the right hand side because I actually quite like it there. Go do that on KDE. David Gran, hello, welcome on in, good to see you. Installed Linux Bazzite in December and I am loving it. So stable. My first experience with CashOS last summer and I just made it crash constantly. It was a disaster. Dude, Bazzite is a fantastic distro. And if it's working for you, awesome. You don't need to ever change it. ThoughtBrick at CAD. Once I started with KDE Plasma, I just couldn't look at Windows Manager the same way. You mean Windows? Even with PowerToys. Yeah, PowerToys is making my work laptop a bit better, but it's still not there. It is easier to set up my HP P2000 MSA Sans SAS HD storage box in Linux than it is in Windows. Oh, is it? I don't know. Go try it and let us know. No idea, dude. Probably would be, but there's probably going to be a bit of a learning curve for sure. Hey, the Agent Prime. Hello. Welcome on in. Yeah, I lived in KDE initially for about a week before someone got me to try Hyperland. Yeah. I want to see Slackware gaming. Did I start? I think I got Steam. I did get Steam installed on Slackware. Jack, I did do it. I remember it being quite painful though. Yeah, I'm not ready to go down that route. I think System D has spoilt me. I'm going to be honest. Speaking of gaming, where were we? Wait, what? Where? Where?
How dare you!
Oh no, I've got no cover, I've got no cover, I've got no cover, I've got no cover.
I will not be surrounded.
Sneak up on me like that.
Your position.
Oh, there's shiny over there. Oh, it's that gun.
That didn't take too long.
I got a sniper. Oops. Mistakes were made. Mistakes were made. Where? Shiny. Shiny. Lots of shiny. Oh, more shiny.
Grow the fuck up!
They won't get me.
Let me see your insides, bitch!
He dead. He dead. Now what we got to do? Take the Burgess car, optional.
Alert! Myers sighted in Sector 2-1. Investigate, now!
Detecting multiple patrol sigs, V. Stay on your toes.
All right.
Sync to a radio frequency. Hear me okay?
Loud and clear, Zoe. Would you care to tell me what the fuck is going on?
We have a plan we need to stick to. Elizabeth Crest Street. That's where you need to go. The streets are too hot, so you'll need to go underground. Take old metro tunnels. Find the nearest station beneath an abandoned expo hall.
Got it.
Oh, this is horrible. This is a horrible car.
Use it before accessing the garage.
Stop it. Get off of me. Get off of me. Get off of me. Thank you. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Mistakes were definitely made. Mistakes were definitely made. Mistakes were made. Mistakes were made. Sorry. 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 Oh, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Run away! Run away!
Can't just leave her behind.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh. Oh, did you see that shot? Did you see that shot? I'm sorry, chat. I'm getting carried away here. Hang on. Let me put the chat over here. I can at least see what's going on. I've got to run. It's been fun. Have fun, people. You got my like and sub. Thank you, dude. Appreciate you. 360 no scope. I thought this was just started. I thought you started this last stream. I kind of did, yeah. System D's not evil. Get over yourself. I bought an open box ROG Ally Xbox White version and installed KineticWE handheld. That's awesome, John. Nice one. I'm asking. I didn't make it in Windows. Got it dirty cheap. And 11 terabyte of storage. Damn, that's pretty good. I thought even, yeah, I did. I think I saw Linus Tech Tips video where he said Windows recommended 64 gig of RAM now with Windows. Yeah, I think they removed all of the thingy, didn't they? I think that was probably on the WAN show on Friday. CAD some KineticOS KDE. I'm also really blown away with how lightweight and snappy it is compared to Windows, which is so bloated indeed. Sniper, no sniping. Dude, I installed it on my ROG Ally X. It's crazy how perfect it works on it. Nice. This gameplay is smooth. Looks max settings. I don't think it is max settings. No. Got to run. It's been fun. I've read that one already. Take care by. It's too heavy. The pickup. I play this game with the controller just because of the cars. Yeah, I've got the Steam controller there ready for when I do the cars. But actually, with this keyboard here, it actually works really, really well. Looks fun with mouse. Pretty cool. I want to test the gyro on this, but I have a GOG version. Okay. Cool, cool. I think we're caught up now. Let's get back into it. Yeah, it's not on max settings. It is on custom settings, balanced. It's got medium crowd density, high motion blur. Wait, what? Get rid of that. It's got high. So it's not, yeah, certainly not max.
I will not be surrounded. Hold your position. Careful, someone's lurking. Excellent.
Got a little something for you.
Pretty sure there was another one over there, wasn't there? Yes, there he is. Oh, he ducked. Did you see that? Oh, wrong one. Whoa, what the frig is that? Come on, reload. Oh, hang on.
They won't get me. More, keep shooting.
Ah!
I will not be surrounded. Really pulled that off.
Still got to deal with that bot, haven't we? Oh, who's shooting me? Is it him out there?
Hold your position. Hey! They're on you.
Come out, damn it.
Shred the cunt!
Get me.
Ah, keep changing the wrong gun. Wrong gun.
No, they're reloading. What's up, huh? Reloading. Cover me. This is an embarrassment.
Ah!
Steve, don't get sloppy.
Got a little something for you.
I don't think I hit any of them, then, did I?
Disengage. Regroup.
Excellent. They'll remember that one.
Oh, I missed. Got to watch out for that one. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Got him. Got him. Got him. Come on, where's the other one? Where's the other one?
Careful, someone's lurking. I see. You should think about joining up.
Two. We need two. We need two. Two. There we go.
That could have gone worse. We better evac.
Right, we've got to get back to that car, haven't we? Hang on, I need to catch up with chat. Sorry, chat. Let's do that. Put it in 4 low. Looks fun with the mouse. I wanted to the system D is an orange cat. System D stands for nothing. I found out. Yeah, system D is my favourite thing, but Nix uses system D, so whatever. Yeah, that's it. If it yeah. Run, Forrest, run for it, buddy. I need to run for it, Marty, don't I? I need that. Remind me. Hello, the Retro Dad. Welcome on in. Good to see you. God, looks like you're older than me, dude. Damn. If you're still gaming, that's freaking awesome, man. When I grow up, I want to be just like you. I'm fairly noobish. I have only tried pre-made distros like Nabara and KineticWE. Is it possible to tweak Fedora to be as good as Nabara so I can control the packages a bit more? Yes, it is. That's exactly what I've done. Nabara basically was set up to help Thomas, or Glorious Eggroll, get his dad onto Linux and off of Windows. So he's made a lot of decisions with that distro to help that, and it's kind of grown from there. A lot of the decisions he's made I'm not a fan of, but that's why I've built Fedora from nothing and then just added the things that I want. So when I open up my application or launcher, everything that's in here is what I need and what I use. There's nothing other than, I think, one menu thing that I don't need, like that menu editor. I don't really need that, but that's built into KDE. You can't do much about that one. Welcome Center, that's built in as well. Can't really do much about that, but everything else is stuff that I use and I'm happy with. So yeah, it's quite nice to be able to do that. Are you in the UK? Yes, I am. I'm in the UK, John. How about you? The Retro Dad. Okay, I just wanted to make sure I wouldn't be wasting my time. I tried Pika 2. Games loaded kind of slow on there. I know that it's definitely... Yeah, Pika's a really good distro. But again, they make a lot of decisions to make it easier. So the thing that you got to remember with Linux is that you can pretty much do whatever you want on whatever distro you want. The difference is different starting points. So if you want to start literally from scratch, there is something called Linux from scratch. If you want to start from like a very basic build, you can use Arch or Fedora everything. Or if you want it all done for you, you can use KineticOS, Nabara, Pika, depending on what flavor of distro you want. Or if you want it to be completely stable and not have to worry about destroying it, then you can use something that's atomic, like Bazai, or what other atomic ones are there? Or if you want something to be immutable, you can use SteamOS. So there's lots of choices, but it's just the difference is just the starting point is different. Oh look, it's a window within a window within the window within the window. Yeah. Oh, sick. Thanks, man. No worries, dude. No worries. Make sure you come back. Hit that sub button and that like button, and then you'll get all my content and you can watch all that, and that'll be awesome. That might help you out, dude. I've been on that journey for about 16 months. Oh, Dockerwin, hello. Welcome on in. Good to see you. Why is System D bad? I have no idea. how it works. Most of the time it's LARPing. It's people saying it's bad but actually have no idea why it's bad. I can understand it from a philosophical perspective. If people are not fans of System D because it goes against the GNU philosophy of do something, one thing does one thing really, really well, then I understand why they don't like System D. But if it's for any other reason, they're LARPing. Cad says, if you are doing a lot of gaming, there is an advantage to being on an Arch-based decision. No, there isn't. Not really. Once it all works, dude, you don't have to. There's not really that much of a difference. If a game works, it works. You might get a little tiny extra bit of performance because a new driver or a new Proton version. Well, actually, Proton doesn't matter because that's not specifically an Arch thing. But driver updates, they come through quite quickly. So yeah, no, I don't agree with that at all. Edward, hello, Edward the Bruce. How you doing? Welcome in. I switched from Arch to Fedora KDE after 6 years on Arch, and I think I'm going to stay. All I did was enable RPM Fusion and default equals yes. Yeah, I think Don's done that. He said he can't stand the fact that you have to click yes. I keep it that way because then I can double check what I'm running. Thought of you and your channel though, so here I am. Excellent, thanks man, appreciate you. Tyler says, oh look, it's the, oh yeah, we read that one. I've kind of gone up and down on the chat, haven't I? I will try to use Linux for the first time this week. Wish me luck, Bazai. Excellent, you'll have a good time. The good thing about Bazai is it doesn't really matter what hardware you've got. It seems to work quite well with NVIDIA, and it seems to work quite well with AMD as well. So yeah. Hey man, how you doing? I'm doing good, dude. You asked me on the last stream how to get into my Discord, and I think I said it like in passing. You just need to add me on Discord. It's Linux Gamer Life. If your name's different though, then that can cause an issue. We just need to go to my website, which is linuxgamerlife.net, and there's a contact form on there, and that just allows me to check to make sure that it's you. Agent Prime, I think System D thing is, oh, it's being explained now. There you go. I will. Been watching your videos for a while. Just first live stream I've caught. Love your stuff. Oh, thanks, Richard Dad. That's really cool. Appreciate you. I'm glad it's like, even if it helps one person, it makes me happy, you know. But it just happens, it seems to be helping quite a few people, so that's cool. I love it. Ertu says System D8's #1 LARPers, 100%. Well, I say, yeah, but not all of them. If it's a philosophy thing, I totally get it. I really, really do. But it is what it is, right? Jensen just said, I created 5 virtual desktops, but I keep startup into desktop 2. I've created 5 virtual desktops, but I keep starting up into virtual desktop 2. Do you know where I can set it to start in desktop 1? Jensen, what are you using? But System D is just an umbrella for many sub-projects, so they do adhere to the Unix philosophy. Oh, maybe. I don't know enough about it to... I thought there was so much dependencies between the different sub-projects that you can't really Can you break it down to only run like certain System D sub-projects? Don't know. Yeah, Jensen, what are you on again? I can't remember. Jacqueline, I like to make fun of System D just like with Ubuntu. Yeah, absolutely, I get it. You can pick and choose. Oh, there you go. You can pick and choose which sub-project you want to. Oh, okay. And then do one thing and they do it well. Oh, there you go then. So there's definitely 100% LARPing then. Not entirely KineticWE. Right, okay. So you got rows, have you? Let me just get rid of that. Window management, virtual desktops. Move that over there for the minute. Yeah, so I always start on main. So when I boot up, I'm always on row 1. So I've got swap scroll modifiers, switch desktops independently for each screen. Oh, I can turn that off. Oh, that's quite cool. But no, I don't need to. Oh, that is cool because then I can keep the stuff on the right screen as it is. No, so it doesn't look like there's any setting anywhere. You got window rule somewhere? What window rules have you got? Have you got a window rule that... But that wouldn't... no, that wouldn't work. I don't know, to be honest. I don't know why it would be doing that. That doesn't make sense. What do you think about Arctic Linux? I think it was a cope distribution, to be honest. I'm being facetious, by the way. I'm going to add a laugh track there just to be sure. I don't really care about it. I mean, it's not something I'm going to use. But if it's what works for you and you like the philosophy of that, and it's like with every single distro, right? There's a philosophy. So for example, Fedora has a philosophy, 100% free and open source software. They will not include anything that you cannot look at. I love that philosophy. Yes, it causes pain. You have to add RPM Fusion to get the non-free or the proprietary drivers and apps and stuff like that. But that's a small thing to have to do in order to follow the philosophy of Fedora, which is 100% free open source. So I quite like that. I quite like that as a philosophy, right? Other people don't. Other people don't like it because of IBM, because of Red Hat. That's fine. That's the good thing about Linux. You can choose whatever the fuck you want, right? And that's the same with Arctics, right? If that's the philosophy that you like for that particular distro, then good for you. I don't know, Jensen, why that was doing that, to be honest. I don't know. Let's see if Don's around.
Fresh pizza, fresh tech, fresh fun. Everybody welcome the Black Dawn.
Don. How are you liking KineticWE? Worth getting over Hyperland yet? I know it's still basically alpha for development by the Don. I would not be using KineticWE at all if it wasn't stable. If anybody, if you knew me, you'd know that I'm a stubborn bastard. I'm a stubborn old bastard. So for me to change takes quite a lot. So for me to change from even KDE to Neri Noctalia took an hour call with the Don showing me Z, and I said, what's that? And he was using Neri Noctalia. So then I went and watched his video, and then I installed it on the second PC. And actually, I installed it in a VM. Then I installed it on the second PC, and then I thought, oh, hang on a minute, I can install this alongside KDE. Oh, that's a win-win situation. So I installed it alongside. No, that was actually Neri Noctalia. Yeah, so Neri Noctalia I installed alongside KDE. That worked. And that was great. I thought, oh, this is really, really cool. And then I just switched. And then I added KineticWE alongside Neri Noctalia. And I haven't logged back into the Neri session. Well, once I have, because I had a Discord issue. So yeah, I wouldn't be using it if it wasn't stable. And in fact, I'd take care of the Fedora side of things. So I maintain the Copper repository, which is where you get it from. Oh, I don't know, Jensen. No, so you do get a lot of you do get a lot of updates with Fedora. I get updates weekly. I get kernel updates every week. Yes, they're a little bit behind, but that's fine. I'd much rather have the 6-month major release with the in-between releases happening every week. So that's the perfect solution for me. So no, it updates every 6 months. So I'm on 44 at the moment, and around October it's going to go to 45. But you still get updates to Mesa drivers, kernel updates all throughout every week. So it's just as up to date, really. It may be a kernel or two behind, but it's not enough for me to go over to Arch. So it's not really an advantage. You know, it's I would say Fedora's more semi-rolling. Yeah. Copper tea. I need to add something to that. I use grub. Yeah. Old fashioned. Gents, I don't know whether that, I don't know why it's not doing it for you. That's why I was trying to call in Don, but he's obviously been busy with the kids, or his wife. Well, that sounded weird. So I don't know why yours is doing that. Mine doesn't do that. Mine boots into main. Mine boots into main, which is this one here, and that's my #1 desktop. Oops. So I don't know why it's doing it for yours. So asking, is there a setting? I don't know. Agent Prime, the bleeding edge updates that would sometimes break things is why I went from KineticOS to NixOS. The want to try KineticWE and bugs that would have taken me more time is why I'm not on Bazite. Wait, what? The want to try Kinetic and bugs that would have taken me more time is why I'm not on Bazite. I don't understand that, Agent Prime. Please elaborate. Oh, you're now on Bazite. Oh, okay, cool. Why I'm now on Bazite. Right, okay, that makes more sense. I'm thinking, huh? Oh, every time I move, my USB gets disconnected. Huh? What the frick? Boss Greg? What the... I mean, what the frick? I just got a sub on Twitch and I'm not even streaming there. Let's press that. We've got to press that button now, haven't we?
Behind the screen, nobody knows.
Wow, that's so cool. Thank you very much, Boss Greg. I think you're my first sub. I think you're my first sub over on Twitch, and I don't even stream on Twitch. That's mental, dude. Are you? I don't know that you're in here, are you? Ray Sheba, first time catching your stream. Hello everyone. Why is my device keep disconnecting? What's going on? I must be knocking something somewhere. But everything's still working though. That's quite a loud noise, isn't it? If I just not move, we should be good. I must have a loose cable somewhere. Ray Sheba, thank you very much. Hello, welcome on in. Good to see you. Jacqueline says, elaborate. Come on, stop doing this to me. I'm going to have to do a elaborate image now, aren't I? Kat says it was enough of an advantage for Valve to choose Arch. Yeah, but Arch, that's... No. So you see, they have Arch, yes, and it's KDE, yes, but it's immutable. It's not Arch. Yes, it's an Arch base, but it's immutable and you can't screw it up. So it's nothing like Arch. So just bear that in mind, Kat. David Grand, since I am new here, I'm at the same time watching the videos you created, and I have to say that you have a new follower. Really good stuff. Through my prames. Oh, that was you. Thank you very much, dude. That's freaking awesome. You're my first Twitch sub. So thank you. I appreciate that. Good job. As soon as I get to 100, I'll start streaming over there. StreamOS is Arch-based, but it's immutable. So you don't get all of the trouble that you get with a normal Arch-based system. I got that DW. Wait, what? I got that DW. What? I feel like my week isn't complete unless I hear this song. What song's that? Oh, this one that's playing now. The loose cable is upstairs. 100%. I'll be back until then. Take care. But oh, thank you very much. Don't worry. I got that. Don't worry. Oh, perfect. Thank you very much, dude. Appreciate you. Take care. Did you get my instructions to join the Discord? Yeah. Make sure you do that. We'll get you in the Discord. Yeah, I need to reorder these. Oh, the Twitch for. Yeah, cool. I haven't done this one yet, actually. You did not. Right. Go on to Discord and add me as Linux Gamer Life, unless your name isn't DockerWin. If your name's not DockerWin, then you need to go to linuxgamerlife.net and go to the contact form and fill that in. So linuxgamerlife.net. There's a contact form there which is only for members. Okay, go do that. If anyone adds me on Discord that's not a member, I just ignore it. And if they keep adding me, then I just ban them. Because I've had a couple of people do that after mentioning it on the stream. And they can back right off. But we do need to do this one. Wait, what? Try that one. The members only Discord is super chill and fun. Lots of knowledgeable people on there. Absolutely, yeah. It's really nice. I really like it. Got some awesome peeps in there. I can't believe I got my first sub. That's so cool. Oh, it should work with just I think it was a www bit. That should still work too. Yeah, that works. You just go to contact me here and fill out this form. Well, I'm all caught up on chat. Now have a drink. Okay. All right, Cad. Well, you use what you want to use, okay? Doesn't mean it's any better than what I'm using. It just means it's better for you. But it is less arch. What is happening again? What is going on? I've got a loose connection somewhere. That's really frustrating me. Did you work out what's doing that? Oh, you need to install Discord first. Okay, yeah. Oh, David, no, seriously, dude. No, it's all good. It's all good, man. I mean, yeah, it does help, but no, don't. I mean, if it's a free month, then why not? But I can't continue. Yeah, don't worry about that. That's cool. No, the baby's much more important than me, dude. Baby's much more important. If you think about it, CAD, there's kind of three main distro types, right? There's the rolling release, then there's the what I like to call semi-rolling, but it's more of a planned release, and then there's the LTS stuff, right? So you got your Debians, which does most of the long-term stuff, although there are rolling Debian releases, and you've got the what I call semi-rolling release, which are things like obviously Fedora, and then you've got your rolling release, which is things like Arch. And it really doesn't matter which one you choose, it's the one that works for you, right? And if Arch works for you, that's fantastic. but Arch doesn't work for me. I don't want rolling release. I don't need rolling release. I'm quite happy with Fedora. So Arch isn't better than Fedora in the same way that Fedora isn't better than Debian. It's just different release schedules. And then you choose the one that works for you. And at this moment in time, Fedora is the one that works for me. So, yeah. Right, where were we? We were shooting peeps. We were pew-pewing. Right, hang on. I need to get to that vehicle, but there's still people there. Do I need to kill them first? Well, hang on. Spark sticky fingers. Can we see your face? Nope. Not until I retire. Edward DeBruce says, I do like Arch a lot for desktop use, but you are spot on. Yeah, that's it. You've got to use the tools that are best for you, right? It's like saying, well, my favourite thing to do is to chop a plank of wood in half. What's the best tool for that? And somebody says, well, yeah, you want to use a drill. A drill's gonna last longer because the drill bits are like they're just gonna last forever. So you should use a drill. That's the kind of thing I hear when people say, oh yeah, you should use Arch. Well, it's not the right tool for me. I don't need a drill. I need a saw. You know? Oh my god. There's 4 of them. Let's go.
Looks like we got hostiles, boys.
No negotiating with the enemy. Scumbags just don't know when to quit.
They can't know where you're headed. Why
Ugh.
can't you lose them? Your call.
Technique's lacking. You get the job done.
Oh, I missed him. I missed him. Oh, that was almost lined up perfectly. There you go. Oh, I missed him again. Oh, that would have been a great shot if I got him. Oh, hang on. Out of bullets, out of bullets, out of bullets. Reload, reload, reload. Oh, I missed him again. It's terrible shooting. Hang on.
They won't get me.
Right, relax, 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 relax. Ready? Whee! Boom. Oh, I missed again. Damn it. Oh, I missed again. God damn it. Oh, he's getting up on the roof.
Nice feed.
Got him that time. There was no not getting him.
Join up.
Oh, that was close.
They're gaining ground.
Oh, God. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh.
Excellent. They'll remember that one.
Are they just gonna keep coming?
We getting hit. Hold your position.
Oh, that would have been a great shot if I got that one, wouldn't it?
Not looking good.
Oh, that would have been good as well. Oh, that was terrible. That was terrible. What was I thinking? Oh my god. Right.
I will not be surrounded. That could have gone worse. We better evac.
Right, okay, I think we killed them all. Well, I'm going to catch up with chat now. Oh, I keep doing that, don't I? Let's do that. I do like Arch. Hey, Ridiculous Cat, how you doing? Speaking of Arch, I've committed to try and keep my Arch system up and running for 30 days. Nice! It's not that I don't like it. I'm just telling you that SteamOS is less Arch than the base Arch system. It's not I don't like it. I actually quite like Arch. If you go and watch my video where I install Arch and get up and running on Steam in about 23 minutes, I say how much I really liked it. And it was in fact Arch. In fact, it was CacheOS that led me on the hunt to find Fedora everything. So it's not that I don't like it at all. You know? It's just different. It's not the tool that I use. Become a beaver. I'm bad at Arch. Sticky fingers. I used Arch install. Ridiculous. That's a lot of fun. Should be an easy challenge though. I never claimed it was better. I never used those words. I know, and I never said that I don't like it. So let's agree. I keep breaking my system. I could extend my challenge. Hey David, thanks again, man. Man, I need to get Cyberpunk. Got a 9070 XT and would like to try to push it to the limits. Nice. So Arch is broken twice for you. Damn. Syntax error. I'm going to sleep. Can you stop streaming now? No, I've still got some stuff on me. Arch. Yeah, I used Arch install because I'm not a crazy person. Oh, hang on. I need to move that back over there. Oh, where have we got to go? I've got to go 100. Oh, shit.
For shit's sake. They catch us after we're dead.
They can't know where you're heading. Wipe them, lose them. Your call.
Uh-oh. Mistakes were made. Oh, I've run out of bullet. Oh my god, I'm stuck. I'm going to run out of bullets. Oh my god, I'm going to run out of bullets.
Outpost. Best go around.
Where do I get bullets from?
Let's zero them! Scumbags just don't know when to quit. Ah, shit! We've been made.
Go this way, come on, follow me. No, we're not, we're fine. I've got a shotgun. I know how to use it. Oh, we're trapped here. Oh my god. I'm going to run out of bullets. How many have we got? 79. Oh, we should be right.
Got a troublemaker here. Disengage. Regroup. Got him.
They won't get me.
Oh, missed him. Oh, right, where are we? I guess I'm a crazy person. Arch install is goated. Yes. KineticWE is cool. Got some friends who know nothing about software who installed KineticWE on his kids' PCs. No issues at all. Been 7 months. I'm their tech support though. Yeah, that's why, Edward. That's why you're their tech support. But guys, sorry, Ertu says, but I like it better just because I know exactly what set up. Yeah, there you go. That's it. I think if I actually quite liked it, then I'd probably go down that route as well, you know. But I like all of the basic stuff done for me. That's why Fedora is perfect for me, you know.
That could have gone worse.
Right, we've lost the tail. I'm almost out of bullets. I've got 16 bullets. Actually, if I change my gun, how do I do that again? How do I change my gun? Inventory. If I change this for an SMG, have I got an SMG? I have. Have I got a gold SMG? I have. Because I'm going to have SMG bullets, right? So that is, let me just swap it, okay, and then I can check it against the other ones I've got. So this one here, oh, we got to use that one, right? There we go. So now we got a submachine gun. Are they saying someone's LARPing? Because that must have been added to the game recently, you know.
Gotta be here somewhere.
We've got to go in there, but we've got to lose the tail. This could be problematic. I like Gentoo being silly like me. Yeah, I've certainly got some silly people in the Discord, right?
They're looking for us.
Made it. We made it. We made it.
Looks clear. Finally. Nice change.
Ooh, shiny. Oh, shiny.
Dogtown. What a joke.
Ooh, shiny,
You all
shiny,
beat this
shiny,
place?
shiny, shiny.
You all. First time I'm here.
Likewise. And if I never make it back, it'll be too soon.
My cousin wanted Linux on their computer. They now have Linux Mint on one computer and Elementary OS on the other. I've never tried Elementary OS actually. I've got the I think it's like a 30 gig or 25 gig ISO. Oh, I did have it somewhere. But yeah. Also, how you doing? I'm doing great, thanks, man. Your Fedora system will never fail to impress me. I'm loving it. I'm really happy with it. I'm about to make it better as well, because when I switch over to this motherboard, which has got 4 M.2 slots in it, I'm going to separate out my my dev partition into an actual drive. So I'll have root on one drive, home on another drive, gaming and media on another drive, and then development on another drive. So then that way I can just destroy my main install and not have to worry about any of the other drives. And then all I need to do is back up my home, which is quite small actually. It's going to seem like far too much space for a home drive, but I'll have it nonetheless. So can I buy a gun? Can I buy? Oh, I can buy. I need some bullets. Gentoo is something I at one time said I was going to try and learn Linux better. Maybe I'll still do that someday. If I have a spare computer, I'll sacrifice it. Yeah, I will probably get around to installing Gentoo at some point. But and I'll do BSD as well at some point, because I know Moji Baked is going to keep hassling me for that. So just to shut him up, I'll do it at some point. You know? Oh no, wrong one, that one. Are we there yet? How are we doing? You alright? You good? Yeah? Yeah? Okay. Oh, we got to exit. Right, okay, we can do that. It's not great being this dark when you're on stream. Oh, there's somebody over there.
Sheesh. Looks like a kind of museum.
Museum of wishful thinking. Where the rich bought and sold so many unfulfilled dreams. No need to go.
Defiant!
Defiance in the house! Straight from down!
There we go. Welcome on in, Defiant. Good to see you. Welcome back, Smitty. Glad you made it. Glad you made it back. You know. Oh, one I haven't done yet is this one.
I'm built for speed, I'm first in line. Latest packages every time. Pseudo Pac-Man dash, yes, why you? Forget one letter and you might get screwed. One typo, that's exactly my case. No command roulette, just a steadier pace. DNF is kinda logical, methodical, and makes sense. Choose this one if you sat on the fence. You all, I got it all. If it exists, I got the call. Rolling release, I'm setting the pace. I'm living tomorrow. You're stuck yesterday. Yesterday. At least I can play. Less time fixing, more time playing. While you're debugging, I'm just slaying. I'll take reliability every day. Pac-Man on DNF, choose your role. Bye-bye Windows, that's the goal. Pac-Man on DNF, take control. Bye-bye Windows, that's the goal. Pac-Man on DNF, make your call. Bye-bye Windows, that's the goal. Pac-Man on DNF, take control. Bye-bye Windows, that's the goal.
What's the goal? What's the goal, chat? Come on, what's the goal? One day I will get you to actually write the goal in there rather than faff around with some witty comments. Come on, what's the goal? What's the goal?
So quiet, I can hear my cron creep.
Quiet's a good sign.
Pac-Man, damn it! Jailbreak Windows, damn it! Hardware Accent, hello man, how you doing? Good to see you. Welcome on in. I got to bring up that DNF 5 is a huge upgrade. Last time I used Fedora, it was honestly DNF that made me quit. Oh, really? I didn't have any issues before. Goal is to hate OpenSure. How you doing, Harbour Accent? You good? What am I doing? Where am I going? I'm going over this. I'm trying to hide because I thought I saw somebody earlier, but now I don't know. Okay. Okay. Can we get through here? No, we can't. Oh, okay. I've just gone completely the wrong way. Oh, okay, they're fine. They're fine. Are they fine? Oh, shiny. It was slow. Yeah, I think, I don't think it was. There's a setting that really speeds everything up. So when you install my installer script, especially the... Oh, I've done it again, look. Every time... I've got to keep still. I must keep still. Oh my God, stop it. I've got to keep still. I've got to keep very, very still. And I need to plug everything back in again. How can I support you, LGL? Will a sub to your Twitch? Absolutely. Anything will help, dude. You can go to the... it's doing it... Sorry about that noise. It's really... If it's annoying me, it's got to be annoying you. You can do my Ko-Fi. So it's ko-fi.com/linksgamerlife. Then that goes straight into my PayPal. That's a really good way to do it. I also have... Oh my God. I also have a Throne, which is throne.com/linksgamerlife. That has much better privacy settings on it. So you can do that. Or you can become a member of YouTube. But YouTube takes a bunch of money. Or you can become a Twitch sub, but at the moment I'm not an affiliate on there, so it'll go into like a bucket, and then eventually I'll be able to draw on that bucket. So whichever works best for you, Jensen, would be really helpful. Thank you very much for asking. Appreciate you. Not new to Linux, still allowed to join? Lol? ? No, absolutely do. No, everyone's welcome here. As long as you're not an arsehole, then we'll get on with just fine. I mean, I'm a bit of an arsehole, but then I'm the streamer, so I can be, right? Hang on, press that. Press that. Slackware on 3.5 inch. Wow.
Feel free to ask her about those exhibits. Really?
Harder accent. Are you still on Gentoo? Or did you go back to Windows? Yeah, a bit ago. That was a bit ago, wasn't it? Jeez, on floppies. You're on Gentoo right now. Awesome. Awesome. Wait, hang on. I look away. It's telling me to go there. And I look and it's gone. I look away. Is it underneath? Wait, what?
Damn. There's no way around
Oh, I
this.
see.
Songbird, got a sitch. Can you jimmy the door?
On it. Oh, the lock jammed. Gotta brute force it, V.
Oh,
Time to roll up your sleeves.
No need. 3, 2, 1. All right.
Head for the elevator, just across
I
the room.
got a bad feeling about this.
Huh.
Oh, Jensen, thank you so much, man.
Seems.
Gotta
Thank you
find
so much, dude. Appreciate
side
you.
of the room.
That's so cool. Yeah, that'll go straight into PayPal as well. Thank you. Shiny, shiny, give me all the shiny. I need all the shiny. I need the bullets. Oh, I don't. Oh, we got bullets, guys. We got all the bullets. Let's go. Oh, you know what that means, don't you? What does it mean when you go somewhere and then there's like a ton of bullets there waiting for you? You know what that means, right? You've all been playing games long enough to know exactly what that means, yeah? Do I need to switch back to my boss fight? Yay! You know it.
This is no time to stop and think.
Oh, okay. But I want to think. I'm not thinking. I'm talking to chat. Okay? You are not as important as chat over there. Okay?
What is it now? Let's move.
I'm talking to chat. No, I'm talking to chat. They're far more important than you, and they're far more important than this mission. Especially when you got people like Jensen giving me money. Come on. Think about it for a sec. Means you're about to hit a bullet sponge, 100%, innit? We're gonna go through a store. Oh no, we're gonna go up in this lift. And then we're gonna die.
V, do you hear that?
Uh-oh.
Bastards
We're in
calling
danger.
to us again.
We're in danger.
Hey, bad news this time. Hansen's dogs caught your scent. Assault incoming.
Oh no.
Spotted outside.
Oh
Either way,
no.
Get ready.
What now?
Got a surprise for our guests. Making the final adjustments now.
I'm not comfortable here. I'm not comfortable here. I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna go over here.
Need that.
Gonna go over here. Gonna go over here.
We gotta engage him. Song's on the case.
Deal with the ads. Deal with the ads. Deal with the ads. Always deal with the ads first. Uh-oh, he's coming. Uh-oh, he's coming. Ah!
Starting to heat up in here, Songbird.
I need to change back to my assault rifle. Where is it? 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 Where's my assault rifle? What's there? Oh my god! 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 Oh my god, there's so many of them. Oh, what that? What's that? What's that? What's that? What's that? What's that? What's that? Oh my god! 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 What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh. No, 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 no. Whoa.
Songbird, what's with you?
I'm hiding behind a wall.
Dunno, Song's having a fit or something.
I mean, surely this will help, right? This will help, yeah? That'll help.
Oh shit! Son of a bitch went haywire!
For fuck's sake, Somi! Slap a muzzle on the thing! This way! Quick! Through here! Faster!
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Come on, me! Faster!
Help me! No! 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 No!
Run!
Run for it, buddy! Run! Oh my god, what the hell?
Through here, B!
I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming, coming, I'm coming.
Up there!
I've got full health, I've got full health, got full health, I've got full health. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We can do it, we can do it. Okay, press the button, press the button, press the button, press the button. Get in the elevator, get in the elevator, get in the elevator. Come on, 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 come on.
Elevator on the way! Stay low till it gets here.
God fucking damn it!
Elevator, 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 elevator. Go, 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 go. Oh, 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 oh. Come on, 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 come on. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. She's gone. Bye-bye. Hello.
Wanna play rough, gonna get rough.
Shoot the cable, shoot the cable. What cable? Oh, hang on. I took too long. I was like, what cable? What cable? Was there a cable at the top? Oh, maybe I should have just pressed F. I think I should have just pressed F, shouldn't I? A clever way to explain when you were joking. Yeah, yeah. That's kind of how it works. I was looking around for it.
On your feet! Run!
All right. Okay, we can do it now. I'm less scared now. I'm less scared now. I'm still going to zigzag because that seems like the right thing to do, you know? Dodging bullets. I'm dodging bullets. Let's go. Oh, yeah, okay, yeah. Zoom, zoom, yeah, okay.
Through here, B!
We're coming. No, yeah, up there. Yeah, up here. We can do that. Up here. Hi, Abdul. Oh, come on in, dudes.
There, got it. Elevator on the way. Stay low till it gets here.
God fucking damn it!
Haha, he can't see me. He can't see me. I use KineticWE, by the way, Hyperland and N4 files and a little customizing. It's awesome. Nice. Whoa, 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 whoa. You can see the elevators coming. Oh, it's there. Oh, jump, jump, jump. Go, 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 go. Press the button. Get ready with F. Get ready with F. Get ready with F.
Wanna play rough? Gonna get rough. What now?
Quick time events. Gotta love them. I'm glad it's only one button though. It's not like Tomb Raider where you have like 4 different options.
Oh, shit.
Did we win?
V! You're not dying on me today.
Okay. Oh. Slap, slap, slappity slap.
No. Guess not.
Right. Good.
We take it out?
The fall did. About time we caught a break.
Can't stay here.
Are you mobile?
Oh, he's not dead. He's not dead. He's definitely not dead.
Motherfucker! Will you just die? The fall wrecked it! Let's go! Kick this tin can to hell! Drop the bastard!
What are we doing?
Hit the
What are we doing?
explosive! They're only there!
Whoa.
I'm gonna fucking destroy you.
Aim with... Hurts!
Take cover!
Ah.
Come on, you son of a bitch! Face me!
Watch it!
Yeah, that's right!
Whey, that one hurt. That one hurt. That one hurt.
Shit! Not dead yet! Look alive! Tetro!
Oh my god.
Don't let him cussy up the fat one!
You die already?
Ground those fucking drones! I'm gonna strangle you, show me! You're done!
Want more?
Watch the laser!
Hey, bullets, I need bullets. Where's the bullets? Where's the bullets? What's this? Oh, I got no bullets, I got no bullets. Damn it. Oh, we used a sniper. We used a sniper. Here we go.
Watch the laser! Take cover!
Whoa, 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 whoa. Where am I going? Where am I going? Where am I going? Reload, reload. I got caught up then. Whoa. Oh, we'll reload, we'll go around here. And then we'll see the... Oh, there you go. Oh! Can't see where I'm supposed to be shooting now. Oh, there. Is it there? Nope.
Don't get fried!
Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Am I just supposed to be shooting it now? Oh, hello. Oh, bullets. Oh, bullets. 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 Oh, we got bullets. We got bullets. We got our assault rifle back. Let's go. More bullets.
Jump on top and finish it, V! Look
I can do
out!
that.
It could explode!
What am I doing? Finish it. Hey, let's go.
Give it a taste! Rusty piss, shitbot!
Rusty piss shitbot. I love that.
Nicely done.
Oh.
Good fucking riddance.
Right, there is something wrong with my USB cable or something at the minute because it's being very annoying. It's not that. Got to keep every time I move. Thanks, Jack.
Safeguarding the nation. My ass.
Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where do I go?
Close call.
Where's the heart? Where's the heart?
Good teamwork.
Help me out. Help me out, Jack.
A pile of luck me. Grab what you can and let's head out. There has to be an exit here somewhere.
Where is it? Should be on the ground. Oh, there it is.
What's this?
Right, time to catch up with chat.
Good stuff. I just hope this won't be a dead end.
That was a bit intense. Sorry about that. Right, where are we? Bonjour, Lobo Vijo. Comment tap out too. Oh no, that's not. No, that's not French, is it? Hola. Boss fight. Press F instead. Hey, Trinazar, welcome back. Good to see you. Oh, I dropped a comment on your browser vid. Did you now?
Comment section with LGL.
Let's go and have a look, shall we? Yuki, you fell for the propaganda. We'll do that icon. We'll do that one. That little emoji there. Oh, that's funny. Oh, that's in the wrong place, isn't it? It should be there. Has that not been triggering anyone? Surely that's been triggering somebody. Sir Mist Walker, hello, welcome on in, good to see you. I did say hi to Trinas, I don't know, hi Trinas, just in case I missed it. Yeah, I run a Mint on one system, Ubuntu on another. I was running Endeavour with KDE for a while till the AUR attack started happening. I dropped back to Ubuntu. Yeah, the thing is, there's not really much that's changed, right? If people would learn how to read the package build every single time, then the AUR thing wouldn't have mattered, because you would already know how to read package builds and detect when things aren't quite right. And I think a lot of people didn't do that and just blindly relied on what they were getting from the AUR. And that's a bad thing to do. So hopefully, if nothing else, this whole AUR thing will actually educate people into being a little bit more careful about what they download from the internet, you know? Hardware accident made people reconsider user repositories, and not just for Arch-based distros. Many started using Flatpaks or apps, but even Flatpaks, there's always still a risk there, right? Because I can make a Flatpak and I can distribute it. Yes, if you get it through FlatHub, there's less of a risk, but that's still a user repository. So yeah, you got to be still careful, you know. Just get it from source, you'll be fine. Oh yeah, you said they're not in the official repository. Exactly. Yeah. Even reconsider using snaps. Nah, not a fan of Snap. Would never use them. I use Flatpak on Ubuntu rather than Snap. Yeah, cool. What is not a bad thing, more official and tested probably. Flatpaks for some apps is a great choice. Yeah, absolutely. I use Flatpaks. How many? I think I've got. How many have we got on at the moment?
Who's that peeking in my shape? Fast fetch loads my system well. One command, there it goes. Everything I nerd should know.
So I'm currently rocking 16 Flatpaks. We can see what they are. Flatpak list. Boom. Oh wait, we have to spell it right. Oh, that's not great. Let's do that, and we'll do that again. There we go. So we've got Discord, FlatSeal, Microsoft Edge, Parsec, Proton VPN, Proton Plus, GitHub Desktop, free. That's runtime, ESA drivers, codecs, runtime stuff, theme stuff, Thunderbird, and Tenacity. So I think if I do Flatpak list app, no, what is it? Flatpak apps? Can't remember what it is. I thought there's a way you could actually just make it list apps. There you go. So all the apps I've got is Discord, FlatSeal, Edge, Parsec, Proton VPN, Proton Plus, GitHub, Thunderbird, and Tenacity. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 Flatpaks. Snaps are horribly slow. Just nuked them out from my work lappy last week. Strawberry Kitten says never had problems with Firefox Snap, but Steam Snap was always half broken. Yeah, I think even Valve recommend that you use the native. You know, Harder Accent says I like how cleanly you can remove them and how they don't affect system updates. Don't mess with system dependencies. Keep the core system clean. Yeah, they are quite good for that. So Miss Walker, oh god, Steam, that's a whole nother critter. Steam just loves to take over all the resources when it's updating the game. Yeah, they do that. Harder Accent says Steam is one of those apps that is better when natively installed. Yeah, we just said that. One of the few exceptions, but it's fantastic that we have the choice. Absolutely. Jensen says, will Don join you later? No, Don tends to use this time at the weekends to be with his family. Quite rightly. So he rarely joins, unless his kids are away or whatever, he will rarely join me on a Saturday or a Sunday. But if he can, then obviously he's more than welcome. Steam has heavily compressed files, it seems. Extracting takes 100% of my CPU. Yes. Yeah, I think if you're having issues with Steam, there's two things you can do. One is patience. Often I'll click on Steam and it just seems like it's doing nothing. But if you open up BTOP, you can see it's doing something. Or if you're having issues with it, kill it in BTOP and then just open up a terminal, type in Steam and hit enter, and you'll see exactly what's going on and if there's any issues. Collector Hulk done that. There is Zoom. Yep, Zoom. Oh, that's the wrong one. Zoom. There we go. Should be on the ground. That sounds like a bit like me. I don't know which bit that was. Spicy sauce. Foot. Yes, foot. I used them all, you see. Oh, there you go. I'd already done that. Thank you. Round packs when. Rotundra packs. Rotundra packs. There we go. David Graham says your UI looks so clean. I almost want to try installing Fedora and try your rice short. Yeah, do it on a VM, dude. Do it on a VM. That's cool. Wolf Matthew C Plays says got sick of Windows a couple of months ago, simultaneously nuked it and installed Nabara, loving it. Now trying to decide if I should build my own custom Fedora install. Do it now. No, it's good. Again, I would say mess about in a VM first. Smitty says, wish me luck finishing up the AMD build for my bedroom. First AMD I've had since 2006. Nice. Looking forward to seeing the pictures. You're going to be around tomorrow when I start on this one. I think all I can do with this build here is literally put the RAM in. That's all I can really do because I don't want to put it in the case. You know, if I put it in the case, then I've got to take it out again to do everything. So, yeah, David. So I've got one. I use one called Highlock HeartMac. I've got one called. It's not called Highlock HeartMac. So I'm using one called VM Curator, and basically what it allows me to do is to install any of the VMs that I want. And I've got one here called VM Master. So if I select that one, and then go, actually no, what I'll do is I'm going to reset it. So I'm going to click on manage, and I'm going to go to snapshots, and I'm going to restore the snapshot. So that's yes. So that's going to take me all the way back to a very basic, look, it takes me back to 7.0.12 Fedora. It's a Fedora everything install with nothing, and it literally just takes me to the TTY. So now I need to log in, and I can't remember my password. It's probably that. Yeah, so that's it. I've got nothing at all. So what I could do is go, right, let's go sudo DNF install group. Can I do group from here? Oh, it's group install, isn't it? Group, not group. Install. Install. Is it dash available? Can I do that? Oh, is group available? Hang on. Oh. Help me out. In fact, I can't see the chat now. I haven't done it this way for a while. I normally just install what I install. Group list and then available. There you go. And then we'll put the password in. Actually, we need to grep it because it's going to list quite a lot of groups, right? So we're going to go grep, which is basically search for, we're going to do cinnamon. Available, let's do hidden. HIDDEN. Cinnamon desktop. So we're going to go sudo group, sudo DNF group, install cinnamon. It's not going to finish that for me. Cinnamon. I'm doing this specifically for Jack because, you know, cinnamon desktop. I'm going to go yes. Didn't even think of it. Yeah, this is cool. I'm still on boxes. Cool. Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Absolutely. John 404 not found. Hello, welcome on in. Good to see you. How's it going? Cheers for the tutorial. I will give it a try next week. No worries, dude. I've got a bunch of apps as well that help with anything Fedora. Going good. Bug abusing on a Minecraft server. Nice. I don't know what that means, but... Oh, I see. You're abusing bugs on a Minecraft server. Gotcha. Whatever makes you happy, dude. You know? I mean, cinnamon's quite big. Nearly there. 1,000 to go. I mean, no, we haven't got 1,000 to go at all. 100 to go it was when I said 1,000. Vim common. Got Bluetooth stuff there, and then we go. Actually, we're going to go set. No, we're not. System control. Set default to graphical target. I don't know if it's installed it or not. Probably has. It probably installed like DM, but I didn't see it. Let's just see. what we downloading? We're just installing, just messing about with a VM really, just showing David the power of the VM. There you go. So yeah, there we go. Like the wallpaper. Which one is it? Oh, that is quite nice, isn't it? What would be really cool is if it had the number of the wallpaper in the top or something, you know? So yeah, now we've installed we installed the old oh my god, it's weird having it's weird having easy words tile windows to move around. Yeah, I do like Cinnamon. I think if I wasn't on KineticWE, I would be possibly moving towards Cinnamon. I do like it. I'm just going to go I want to log out actually. So we're going to log out. Log out. And then we've got experimental and Wayland. Hi Car Linux, how you doing? I'm using KineticWE. Let me show you.
Who's that peeking in my shape? Fast fetch knows my system well. One command, there it goes. Everything on earth should know.
No, you won't be able to find it on Bazite's Bazaar, unfortunately, David, because it's a terminal-based one that you normally would need to either compile from source, or actually, I think it does have. In fact, it does have a an RPM. Yes, there's an RPM there for version 1301, but I've also forked it, and you can get it on the copper. So let me share. I share both links, and it's up to you which one you use. I would go with this one first. What about Cinnamon do you like so much? I think it's nice and clean, and it's really easy to configure. If I can remember how to do it. Panel settings. I remember I can go panel height, make it higher, done, maybe a bit higher. Center zone, I can move everything to the center like that. Hang on. Wait, what? I can even bring that to there if I wanted to. Stick that there. I can put that. Oh, hang on, I need to add a new one at the top. So I haven't done this for a while. So we can panel edit. Oh, add new panel. We're going to add it up the top, and then we're going to put that up. Let's move you out of the way first. Panel edit mode, we're going to take you, put you up there. Going to take you, put you up there. Take you. All right, and then we've got that, and then we can go center zone, right zone. And we close that, and we can close the edit on that one. So we can go panel edit mode. And grab that, go panel. Oh no, we're back. Oh, that does all of them. Okay, so we can go panel settings. We're on the top one now. We can go right zone. And in fact, what I should have done is put it all across there, like that. It's just a really nice way to do it. And you can go to extend. So I exit out of that. And go to, actually I can get rid of that one. I can go to here and go extensions. Grab an extension. Go to download. I think I need to reboot actually. Mr. Froggy? What the hell, dude? That's a bot, isn't it? They're all the sorts of commands that you check to see if there you go. Cinnamon, it's simple, I guess. The same drawer that Mate and XS had. Clean, minimalistic, and simple, but not as basic as those two. Yeah, it's probably in between actually. Always had a soft sort. Yeah, me too actually. Is it possible to have VRR on Cinnamon with X11? I don't know. I don't use VRR. It's not something that's important to me. I tend to use the what you showed actually in one of your videos. But I tend to go 25% above the 1% lows and just leave it there. And have it on and turn VSync off. So, and I set it in normally I set it in Mango or in the actual game itself. But I don't know. Where would this setting be for that? I don't know. Same here. I mean, I like KDE, but then again, I don't do a lot. Customization, yeah, that's it. I mean, I was the same for pretty much 12-14 months. So what was that? What was the question? Always had a soft spot for Cinnamon in a way. I think. Thank you so much. No worries, dude. It's same we're here. Okay. It's me. Hey there. It says noobs welcome, but are experts welcome too? Yes, as long as you're not an arsehole, then you're more than welcome, dude. Everyone's welcome unless they're arseholes. I'm the only arsehole here. Okay, I've got to be chief arsehole, so there's no room for any others. Just don't be one, and we'll get along fine. Cross the eye. It's not what? What have I missed? Oh, it's not. Oh, I see. Right. Okay. It was literally just there above. Jesus. I don't know how Cinnamon does X11 though. Okay. It's for those chat controls Linux streams. Ah, okay. Well, you got muted. I'm pretty sure I have decided to stay on Xorg for a long while. Wayland is cool, but not for me specifically. Just need to decide on WM or DE in Xorg now. Good luck with that, dude. The level of arsehole is me. You must be less than or equal to my level of arsehole to survive. You're a bearable arsehole. That's what I say. It's unusual to get a Canadian arsehole. You're Canadian, right? David says, need to go. Thanks for the stream, man. Really appreciate what you're doing. Until next time. You take care, dude. And thank you so much for the support. I really, really do appreciate it. You take care, dude. Right. I mean, I think that might be a good time, you know, to call it. What do you reckon? We've kind of come to a natural end, haven't we? Let's shut this down. What happens if I press this button here? Right. What a stream that was. That was awesome. Thank you to all the members for hanging out. I love you guys so much. Really do appreciate it. Oh, David, you're a member. Damn it, dude. Thank you, man. Jensen, thank you so much for the dono. Love it. Boss Greg on the Twitch. That's you, David. Thank you again. Zero Linux, 6 months. Channel Hero. Let's go. That was a good one tonight. I enjoyed it. What else did we get? What else? We got 0. Oh, okay. That was it. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Right, let's do the top 5. In 5th place, we've got Swish. In 4th place, we've got Jensen Dang. In 3rd place, we've got 2 in the house. Let's go. In 2nd place, we've got Yuki. And in 1st place, we have the silly, the wonderful Jack. Awesome, thank you very much. I know. I don't know either. I don't know. I don't know, Yuki. You know, I don't know how it works, you know. Don't kill the messenger. That was a lot of fun. Don't forget, go and watch my latest video if you haven't watched it already. It's quite a good one. Quite proud of it. But as always, thank you so much for watching. You guys take care, and I'll catch you in the next one.